prayer, and I'll continue from there. Anyone can lead us in prayer. Thank you. Let me make sure somebody can unmute themselves. Sorry. Go ahead. You can unmute yourself. Go ahead. Go ahead, Adandimbo.
Eze bi n'eluigwe ọgọrọ a na-akpụ n'ala. Chukwu okike ya kpọgo. Eze bi n'eluigwe ụmụ gị agbakọnata. Nna m anyị na-eme ibe isi anyị na-eme ya ka anyị nọ na-eme. Onweghị ibe ọzọ anyị bụ n'obi awụ njem nwere onwe. Ya ka anyị na-eji ijie. Anyị wee na-asị gị ezi Chineke biko bịa ka ị nọnyere anyị. Chụọrọ anyị ka a lawa ajọ mmadụ ọkachasị ndị sabo. Ndị si na Biafra ya abịa. Ndị na-anụ ọgụ niile ebe a na-anụ ka ha wee fụdatị na Biafra ya abịa si Chukwu biko ọgụ ahụgụ nwa ya nụrụ anyị ya. Gọzie anyị Chineke gọzie ụmụ ife gọzie ụmụ Biafra niile ebe ọnwụ na anyị niile anọ. Ezi Chineke ma ana m akpọkwa gị n'isi awalida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ọhamadike. Onyere m ihe gbaala m ya ume were dọkịta na-agwọ ya ọya. Chineke biko ọkwago ka anyị nwee onye ọzọ. Otu aka aka na-akpọkwa n'isi ọbata obie udu akọ mmiri na mbiko ihe niile ugoko ọdịnaka. Anyị eme nke anyị ji nwụrụ mmadụ ma agụ nwa ya eme nke iji wu Chukwu. Na m ana m asị aka ọwụna ụdọ ọwụna ezumezu ọwụna osi n'enu osi n'ala ọwụ ikwu ọwụ ibe ọwụ onye ọsọkwa anya wụrụ ndị ji ọbata obi eji awalida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu asị m aka ha gbajie. Asị m tinyere ha ọgbaghara ebe ọbụla ba nọ na tinyere ha ọgbaghara. Were ọgbaghara tinye n'etiti ya Chineke pịaba m ụtalị mee ka ọkụ gbuo ha na-arụ mee ka ezumezu ha niile ha saa. Kpọpụtara ya awalida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ọbata obi ya. Na m otu a ka si welekwa awa COS wee tinye gị n'aka nna m ọkwago nwa wike yoo. Onye emekwe nke o ji wụrụ mmadụ n'ọkwago Chukwu na-eme. Nwa onye na-enye ike ajọ mmadụ uke mmadụ ebe ọsọkwa anya si onye ọsọkwa anya wụrụ ọsọkwa wụrụ mụnwa na-eche echiche ọjọọ megide asụ Chineke megide onye ọbụla na-emegide COS ayo ise ọwụrụ mụnwa na-emegide ya emegide m ise onye ọsọkwa ya wụrụ ebe ọsọkwa ba na-agba ije ọ na-agba n'elu ọ na-agba ya n'ala ọ na-agba n'okpuru ala ọ na-agba n'elu bedi asụ Chukwu asụ megide ekwere ka ba binye ekwere ka nna m anya n'iwe emekọ na-ebele alịlị aka weluo mgbe niile ebighị
We shall all live to witness the land of Biafra. Our enemies are in an almighty mess. Our leader, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, wherever he is, it shall be well with him. And any tongue that rises against him shall be destroyed. Any hand that rises against him shall be destroyed. More importantly, anybody that speaks against Biafra under
Nnamdi Kanu won. I'm telling you, forget about the judgment. Forget about what they said in the court. To me, Nnamdi Kanu won. Nnamdi Kanu is a champion. Forget about the terrorism charges. Forget about that the court said, he was found wanting in the area of terrorism and every other thing. That is what they do. Every freedom fighter all over the world, when they want to convict them, that is what they normally charge them with. You understand? But it will be on record that Nnamdi Kanu is a political prisoner. That is what is going to be on the record. Because the same thing with Nelson Mandela. He was also charged for terrorism, but he later came out and became the president of South Africa. So that is what, just go and study other freedom fighters all over the world. That is what they charge. Even Jesus Christ himself, he was charged for terrorism. You see, when they convict you, that doesn't mean that you are gone. Look at even the man we also called to come and save us in Nigeria, Donald Trump. Donald Trump is an ex-convict. He was convicted. If not that Donald Trump became the president of America, by today, the guy would be in prison. So to me, I feel that Nnamdi Kanu won. Because you see, let me say something. In one of my previous videos, I said that Nnamdi Kanu will be convicted. Then after that, Nnamdi Kanu and federal government and the 5 East governors in the eastern part of Nigeria, they will strike a deal, then they will now release Nnamdi Kanu. I said that in one of my previous videos. You can still go and watch it. So, but the reason why we're trying to put pressure on the government, because sometimes, you know, they can still release him unconditionally without convicting him. That was the reason why before this judgment day today, we were trying to like put pressure on the government, because I made a video today and I was urging Mr. Tinubu, that is the president, to just release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. But since it didn't work out, there is no issue, because that was what happened even the time of Donald Trump in America. The party, that is the party that Donald Trump belongs to, Republican Party, they were even saying that just cancel this case, but the court didn't cancel the case. They went ahead and they convicted him. But he's the president of America today. So why I said Nnamdi Kanu is a champion, because sometimes for you to become a champion, you have to be bold. You have to have a lion heart, because you cannot be fighting for a cause and they want to like convince you and you start crying. You understand? You are not a champion. A champion does not cry. A champion does not say, oh, please don't jail me. Oh, a champion will fight to the end, because when you're fighting for a cause, look at Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ came and they crucified him. Never say, please have mercy upon me. Forgive me. Now I surrender. No, he didn't surrender. But today we're all enjoying the salvation of our Lord Jesus Christ. Look at the great man against Samson in the Bible. Samson said, no, I'm not going to tell you, please. I'm not going to beg you. Though he made a mistake. And, you know, so what I'm trying to say is that Nnamdi Kanu won. He won because it's going to be on record that he didn't, you know, bow to the system. He didn't bow to pressure. He didn't say, please have mercy upon me. So to me, I feel that becoming an ex-convict is not an issue. So there is going to be a deal at the end of the day, you know, that before this year finishes, Nnamdi Kanu is going to come aside. Before the year finishes, Nnamdi Kanu, you're not going to see any condemnation from any politician, mostly the politicians from the southeast Nigeria. You're not going to see any condemnation, because there is already an agreement, there is already a deal between the southeast government and the federal government. You understand? So they will get him out before the end of this year. It's a deal and something is going to happen.
In part 1 of my video, what am I proposing? What is the way forward for Nigeria? And realistically, if I must tell you the truth, this is my stand for life. On Abure Accord, I stand. On the ideology of Ojukwu, I stand. On the ideology, initial ideology of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I stand, which is regionalism. And sincerely, I want this to get to the president. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I am begging you in the name of God. I am begging you in the name of God. Regionalize this country. You know more than I do. You have seen more than I have seen. And you quite know that there is no way forward politically in all aspects in regards the way forward to Nigeria's problem. You know all these things. I am begging you in the name of God. Use these last days you have, having the likes of them Akpabio that answers to your call in any means possible. Regionalize this country. That is my advocacy. But take it or leave it, whether you take it on this note or not. I pray that the atmosphere becomes so tense that at the end of the day, the ADC stand their ground. And at the end of the day, whether you are the president or not, you will see the need to sponsor or buy into the ideology of regionalizing this country. Sincerely speaking, I am telling you, and that is my advocacy. Because let's look at it. Regionalizing this country is going to address the fundamental problems that affects this nation. Sincerely speaking, what are the fundamental problems? The fundamental problems is a contradiction of different ideologies coming in play. And the fact is, you are equally going to save a lot of people the stress and this unnecessary rivalry between the Yoruba man, between the Hausa man, between the Igbo man, and between even the Niger Deltans and the Middle Beltans. You are going to save everybody the stress. In the sense that when you regionalize it, you don't need to tamper with the concept of the constitution that talks about Nigeria will remain one undivided entity. Yes, but the fact is that doesn't rule out the fact that the system under which the one Nigeria can be operated will not matter. It will remain one Nigeria. But the fact is, the modus operandi will change. And that is the reality. You will save everybody the problem of a Yoruba man seeing a Hausa man as the problem, the Hausa man seeing an Igbo man as the problem. And you will save the lives of us the stress of coming to condemn somebody that is calling for placing a bounty on the head of somebody to unalive him because that is what his ideology believes in. That will be their problem. And in regards to this, now we begin to talk about the concept of national security. What will happen to national security? National security, simple fact is the fact that the national defense will remain, and it will only come in when things affect national security and is beyond the controls of this region. That is to say that, take it or leave it, the military is doing more of policing job as a result of the failure of some of these governors than the realistic and the constitutional mandates of them ensuring and protecting the sovereignty of the nation. So you can allow that to remain, and they can only be called upon only when it's perceived to be a situation where it's beyond the control of the region. And I'm telling you, this will even promote a situation of more patriotism among
All right, welcome back. I greet all of you on the comment section. I can see powerful names. Most of you are familiar to me, some are new, but I'm here to greet everybody that have joined us. Please do me a favor, like the video, and of course, your comment is very important. That is the only way for me to know that you are here for now. And I'm gonna quickly run through the comment without wasting much time. Amadichi Goze, I greet you. You are the first to drop comment. Fresh. Oh, firstborn, not fresh. Firstborn, I greet you. Firstborn, you're welcome. Firstborn, I see you. And Amadichi Goze again, greetings to you. One of my Linus Obi is here with us. I greet you, Linus. And Dimozemena, much greetings to you. Our own brother Ogwejo for Obaino. I see you. You're welcome. Amadichi Goze again. And we have Mr. Henry. Greetings to you, sir. Nice to see you. Nice to have you this hour. Greeting Master Dalo Rene. Follow Biafrans, like and share. They want we move. You're welcome. Thank you for joining us. Our own one and only River Goddess in this house. You are in the house. River Goddess is here with us. Without the my sister. Nice to have you. We have Donald. That Mr. Don, I greet you. He said to the prayer of Lazuba and of that of Uche Ogwejo again, he said it is already dealing with you, Lazuba. Hey, Peter, Frank, I see you. Greetings to you, Peter. And we have Peter again. Say seriously? Seriously, yes. And we have somebody. Okay, that's our own sister River Goddess. He said, and this your prayer is working against notorious Penta. Good God. Chiamaka, Jisike, Mazaka, in the world, Victoria Weke, our own lovely sister. I greet you. You're welcome. Moneyman is in the house. Moneyman, how are you doing today? You're welcome, Moneyman. What a innocent. I greet you. He said, yes, my brother. And we have Tochuku Ogochuku. Good evening, Mazakai. Good evening to you. Firstborn again. Greetings to all Genuine Biafrans. And we have our brother Daniel. Daniel, you're welcome. Greetings to you. And Anthony Emeka, I greet you. Antot Emeka. We have Dave is here. Good evening, Kai. Good evening to you. So, please, my people, we are here this hour to go through a post from a man called Okijaman. Okijaman has been consistently attacking Master Kanu, calling him names. And the insult is beyond my understanding. I'm not gonna lie. I know that sometimes in life you may hate somebody, you may disagree with somebody, but I am kind of person that believe there's time for everything, and there's limit in what you do. Like I don't believe that when somebody slap you, or call you an insult, use an insulting word on you, maybe call you or you believe or something like that, that you should, bring out your catapult, come call a bad person, because no why up against assault, maybe verbally, not even an assault, just like insult, just words that the person insult you, not assault you. And because of that, you now draw out your able conquered by the person. I don't believe that. I don't think, because maybe because of my religion, because I'm a Catholic, right? We believe in small sin and big sin. Maybe because I wonder why some people are going all out, calling Master names and attacking him, without minding what he has been through, without minding his current condition, without minding what has happened to him, the trauma of losing his parent, without putting any consideration, any limit in what they're saying. I also don't know what else they want him to go through for them to know that he's passing through a lot. How can somebody who is totally free, living large in, maybe I said living large, okay, let me say having his freedom in Europe, we just wake up and attack Master Kanu and attack PM Samanekba and still go back to bed and sleep peacefully and wake up again and begin to look for who to join him or her, to attack them, to organize them, to call them names. What exactly do you want to achieve? Where do you want them? What else do you want to happen to them that it has not happened to them? These guys have spent at least one year, okay, in prison or in detention or anywhere you may call it, but anything you may call it. But you yourself, you are free. You are busy every blessed day attacking them I mean, you want them to remain there forever? Is that what will gladden your heart? Or I don't understand. And it's not as if they have their imprisonment is somehow justifiable. It's not. It's not justifiable. If you can tell yourself the truth, no matter how dark your soul can be, no matter how bad, no matter the level of the demon that possesses you, I still believe there's still element of light that can sometimes shine in you, even though you are so useless and your soul has been condemned. I still believe that as long as you are taking air, you are still making use of air, and you are still making use of land and water. You are still, eating food. I still believe that there's some element of light that will sometimes shine in you. Why can't you hacken on that light and see if your sense will correct and channel you to the right direction? Because most of these people attacking Mazambican consistently, they have lost it all. Like their conscience is now in ground zero. Even though some that are not even attacking him like publicly, that claim that they are now, they part of Biafran declared, or they are once a principal officer in Brigade, and they have some of them in their media team and what have you. Some of them actually attacking Mazamagan and PM, simultaneously without even knowing. Some do know, but the first thing is to pretend, to present themselves as if they actually care, whereas they don't care. That's why some of them will come and call the second in command, or people that are very close to Mazamagan, or people that are actually in line with what PM is doing. Open your mouth and call them Debunking. You keep on calling them Debunking. Now they put some by saying that is actually attacking Mazamagan, of course, attacking PM. Because no matter how you want to twist it, it will be translated, it will be, explained or analyzed to the extent of dragging Mazamagan to that your point. There's a reason why whatever I say about Ogegre, I know how I put it. No matter the backyard and cooked up, the crooked business the man have done, it is obvious that something must have done, that has to do with him. But whatever you may think about him and what he's doing, we can only focus on the one that we can verify and the one that we are sure of. Every other thing is just, assumption. We feel. Most especially when you are addressing him or talking about him in the public, it is expected of you to choose your word perfectly. You are not more intelligent than leaders in USB government today. You are not more intelligent than PM himself, who said, shield your sword and wait, remain where you are. There's a reason why he says so. He can actually say, you guys should unleash your anger on him. Do you understand? But what did he do? He said, shield your sword. USB government shield their sword. Even Ogenkere, who has done a lot of controversial stuff, is one angry to PM for PM saying that he should not go to court, without even knowing that PM actually saved his Ikoja, because had it been that he moved to that court case, it may not turn out the way they expect. I now realize that these guys from Chomo Koma to the list don't even know, don't have any idea of what law is all about. If you are in doubt, ask yourself a simple question: who was in charge of PM court case during the first trial, and what is the outcome of that trial? What is their performance? Had it been they know something about court system or legal issue, things wouldn't have been the way it is today. But some people will be dragging land without having anything to do with that land. They just want the land to be empty and bushy. Not that's all. They are dragging it, even though when you trace the owner of the land, it doesn't belong to you. What am I referring as land here? Look at what happened after declaration. Simple because of only one post, Honorable Minister of Information. Honorable Information Finance Minister, that the guy did not even perform well when it comes to issue of finance. He couldn't perform well. But what happened? Everything turned out the way it is. But no matter the group and what you think about these people, we still have some very small percentage of people, very small percentage of individuals from our land, you know, you may they are from our land until they prove otherwise, because Ikenguru Udele, we still see them as Igbo people. The world will still see them as Igbo people, even though the DNA may prove otherwise, right? But before the DNA, people will be addressing them as Igbo, right? Keshosu, Jovika, Joy Bokwe, and some even clergymen, some reverend fathers, pastors that have stood on their pulpit and begin to lie against Kanu, against PM Simon Ekpa. Look at why easy people that don't even know the gravity of what Nigerian government have done to Ndibo because of IPOB. Even when they were carrying flag, the woman will open his mouth and begin to tell that Master Kanu created Simon Ekpa. And Simon Ekpa is the one responsible for every atrocity that happened in our land. The woman have not traveled anywhere in the world since 2013. She have not spent 1 year abroad, not even in Ghana. But headline news from Nigeria has it that even Buhari, when Buhari was the president, his own have funded Eastern governors to create a Bobago. The same way we also have news that says that SARS, you know, the police, that a group of police people called SARS, was funded by British. They always have this way of creating deadly security people in name of security personnel to harvest if they get the hospital, like okay, which have a lot of news have it that Nana adopt on the market by when they legacy na China, a part of Europe. This news may appear to you as a rumor, but for people to come out and find out through research that SARS, that department called SARS, is not ordinary. It's not ordinary. It's not just, they don't just wake up and create it. That it has hand, British people have hand in that. The same thing applicable to Bobago, that Buhari also made sure that that kind of security outfit will be created or was created in our land for a particular purpose, which is known. It is still a mystery. Then, for you to know that any voices coming out in condemning Mazamaka, condemning PM, condemning Biafrans, and saying, cooking up these stories to make it look like these guys have done more harm than good, to deceive those who just joined or who started paying attention to what is happening. If you are not here following everything since 2013, 14, 15, 16, you may miss track. You may feel like it could be true. But if you know, if you are watching from afar like we do, you can figure out the truth without anybody deceiving you. Unless if you are part and parcel of this group. What I'm trying to say is that there are some small percentage of our people that their job is to target you when you disagree with your brother, or when they have different opinion from what you have, or when you think that you know better than the leadership, or I don't want to use the word leadership because that these people have bastardized that name, that English word. I don't want to sound like this DOS or DSS. The truth of the matter is that this very few percentage of our people, like I've mentioned, there are so many though, but I just mentioned a few names: Ikegu, Ragu, Jovika, Udele, who again, Keshoso. Many of them, you know, these people from Osumo or Sikutokwa, Lilu, most of them that have radicalized their mindset against Kanu. These people, their job, some of them are doing this job, knowing what they're doing though. Some are not, some don't know. They're just confused. When you try to engage them, you can see how they reason. Someone like Ono Wibo, who said here with water Garona Koyri, or South Africa, he couldn't even achieve anything. But when he talk, you think that somebody they go, man, if you Their job is to prove that that thing that people who are responsible of creating this Ebubago group, Ebubago and SARS, which is of course government of the day, and any government that come, we maintain that as well. Their job is to make sure that the belief of government or what government want people to see, how government want people to see Mazanukan and see PM and see Biafran. Anybody talking about Biafran freedom, they want to see you as Oyobunigwe. To the extent that they will start pursuing you from your own house. So by the time you run out from your house, people outside will then use 2x2 Pragbogi. That is the agenda they're using. They want to corrupt the minds of people internally to start seeing you as their problem. And they ignore the genesis of the problem though. Because as of 2012, 2013, even 2010, we're facing insecurity in our land. Let's not forget that there was a time Nigerian National Assembly was debating about Ruga. Before you begin to point hand on Mazaman Khan and PM as the initiator or creator of insecurity, have you tried your best to understand the reason why Northerners and federal government then under Buhari was busy trying to convince the whole nation to accept Ruga? What was the agenda of Ruga? Before the agenda of that Ruga, before the Ruga, they mentioned even Ruga, the plan was to, legalize it so that it will appear as if government is in charge of it, this government decision. So nobody would have noticed this attack, and the attack would have run simultaneously without stressing the people that will carry it out. But because of the teachings of Master Khan and few people that are awake, of course, the light was translated to or transferred to some people who were in a corridor of power, like then Abarebe, the old Abarebe, not Abarebe of now. They begin to kick against it in National Assembly, and people buy into the idea that they are not going to continue massaging and hoping that this thing is workable. By the time it is done on Fulani people that it's not going to work, what do? They divine another means. They just have to go back and divine another means. Before they even divine another means, Femi Adesina, media publicity, what secretary of Buhari then, I think that was his title, right? Came out and said, your land or your life, something like that. That is better that you give your life than you be under the land. That's the way he said that. That comment shows that he has a clear, intelligent information that if people refuse to accept this Ruga, that they will grab it by force by banging you and of course take your land. Before he made this comment, Yerewata people and other communities in the north and the middle belt were still intact. If you go there then and tell them that the best thing is to divide this country or regional government, they will spit on your face and call you, you guys want to, for a long time, you guys want to divide the country. But what is going on now have, like I said, so like in the word of very dark man, he will tell you that you're going to learn in a hard way. Some are meant to learn in a hard way. And the moment you begin to stop them from learning a hard way, you may pay, you may donate your life just to prevent them from learning in a hard way. So which of them do you prefer? Now, everything I'm just trying to tell you, what I'm saying is for you to understand that if you are smart as an Igbo man, learn when to shield your sword and when to bring it out. Every time you boy come again, sometimes you are selling your lineage, thinking that you are analyzing somebody. I can come out here and begin to claim, fabricate stories about those that I disagree with what they're doing. People will love it because this kind of that kind of analysis now on a viral. I'm not gonna lie you. Now people grow their page through that. But at the end of the day, the consequences will still touch me, which I don't want. How many of us know this? How many of us know this? You want to upon what is going on. Like, look at Nigeria today. Upon everything going on there, the only person that you know how to threaten very, very easy is your fellow Igbo man. And it comes from those that add no value to anything at all. Like, even if you give them the freedom and say, okay, IPOB, DS, and we now hands off, lead us, they will not do anything. The only thing these people can do is to mobilize protests in Europe. Nothing again. I'm not insulting, I'm just telling you the truth. The only thing they can achieve in 5 years, apart from attacking Simon by calling him Ekperima, what have they even done? They tried to go work with Soludo. Soludo, only one man, dribble all of them. They tried to work with Hobos of them. He dribbled all of them. And the only way they have, the only place they have power is just on people who don't know anything. They will go behind and, attack them. This guy you are seeing here called Okijaman. Before now, before last month and this month, before God man, I don't know him. I've never watched one of his videos. Oluchiwa God, I greet you, sir. I've not watched one of his videos, let alone hearing knowing anything about him. It was when Darlington shared his Prince Darlington, that's also shared his video. That's when I started hearing a voice but when you listen to him, you think that the guy actually think that his man is coming to can. But nobody know you. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. Each time I hear him talk, like each time I watch his video, he always reminds me of Oginkere. You see, as the Igbo man, one thing you need to understand, one thing you own to yourself is to know your value. First thing you need to know as an Igbo man, I'm not talking about as a woman being, as an Igbo man, first thing I expect from you is to know your worth. And knowing your worth comes in different way. Do not overrate yourself. Do not downrate yourself. If you can maintain who you are without adding, in fact, instead of you to even add and bring yourself down a little bit, humble yourself. It's not going to remove anything from you, because your sense, your level, your energy, everything is still the same. Rather, people will underrate you and you will now run them over because they rate you down. Before they know who you are, you're already up there. But when you carry yourself up, people are going to peer on you. We don't know you, but you want to compare yourself with Master Kanu. And one thing about the US, one thing about the US people is that because they don't know themselves, they don't know how to rate it, they don't even know their worth. They will always come out. They will always come out and lie about somebody that we don't know, like something that we don't have access to. We may be, as we are, contemplating on that one. Could this be true? Is that what happened? They will still use what happened in your own household and lie. What does that mean? It simply means that the one they told you that you don't have the information. By lying with what you know, will not help you to understand that the previous one they said about other people is also a lie. For example, as they're lying now, the Amazon Kanu siphon money, he enjoying life, he's wearing Fendi, he was living large, he traveled with a private jet and all that. That sounds funny to me because Amazon Kanu that we know cannot do that kind of thing, right? But because they are close to Master Kanu, sometimes you may say, this may be true, but even if it's true, does it worth it? That these people will come out and begin to bash on Master Kanu like that? They will not turn around and lie that PM Samonekpa is a government agent. Something that at least even if you don't know about what is going on in IPOB in Akakos, the one that happened between 2021 and 2022, you are not a baby. That will happen in your eyes. You can see that will happen in your presence. You can see that. You can see that one. Judging with that is just a way to validate that The one they're lying about other people is actually not true. And I want you to please like the video if you have not. Let us hear from this man. Then maybe we may not play to the end. Then I will bring a message of Chinasa Woru to Aloy Ejimako. Okay? Because they are trying to justify that people claiming that Chinasa Woru and their group, the IPOB, DUS, and Keep as well, are actually working hard to take the leadership away from us, which they are denying. But that is exactly what they're doing. How can you knock at somebody's door with the gun conked? You conk with your gun, and your hands are actually, to pull off the trigger, and you barge into somebody's house, you break through the door, and you are asking them, "Where's the money? Where's the money?" Then when they ask you what is going on, you are robbing them. You say, "No, I'm not robbing them. I managed to break through the door because I'm a vibrant youth." No, it's not a robbery. It's just called using my strength. So because you are the one that barged into this somebody's house and you break through the door, nobody should call you armed robber, because that's what people that acted like you have done. That is what people call them. That they call you an armed robber. You barge into somebody's house, you break through the door and penetrate into the house, and you are demanding for money by fire by force with gun on your hand. You don't want to accept who you are. No, we know what that means. So hear this, please.
Please share the program. God, that. ESN, Bahu again, double gum. Chapaba Abai Nasi, the guy. No Kanu and I can has an eye out to the guy. ESN, we're not tafful. Home money were in our charge, we're not tafful. Then I will wear out by Obini. Or once again, could walk on Takan or be your George Poki.
Any day you see somebody that puts Biafran flag, he wear his cap, Biafran flag, his t-shirt or any clothes that pop and down Biafran flag, they wore where he's broadcasting Biafran flag. When you shake the table, Biafran flag. When he's walking on the street, Biafran flag. When he bring out his handkerchief, Biafran flag. When you see his wallet, Biafran flag. Suspect that person. That person is not real. Any day you see people that everything they do in life is Biafran flag, do not trust that person. Just stay away first and pause. Monitor that person very, very well. Because genuine people must not force the appearance on you for you to accept them as watching it. Are you getting my point now? What these fake people do is to bring Biafran flag all over there, around them anywhere they go, they will carry it. The spoon they are using at home, Biafran flag, their plate, Biafran flag, the sheet, Biafran flag, pillowcase, Biafran flag, cotton, Biafran flag, even the color of their chest, Biafran flag. They are doing that for a purpose. I'm telling you. Now, just be watching.
Emmanuel ana junkie na Lagos. Ihe na aṅụzi Igbo, a na-aṅụzi Igbo. Nke powder na-acha white ka ọ na-aṅụ. Bịa ka sịkwa m tii picha. Unu eri ya anya n'iri ahụ ọrụ iru junkie. Obili gwakwa nga eremie. Ọ nga eremie nke a na-akpọ Emmanuel, nke a na-akpọ Kanu Takanu. Ifi onesi nkapụ. Ọ bụzụ nwanne ya nwaanyị ka a na-ekwu maka ha. Onye nke a ji na ego IPOB arụrụ nwoke ụnụ. Na-arụsị ụmụ nwoke, ụmụazị ka ọ na-arụkwara ụnụ, ụmụazị 18 years, ụmụazị 20. Onye rụcha ụnụ asị ya na ya adịghị emezi. Ogokwa moto bi akwa ego IPOB. Ụmụ gị ESN wee na-ata afụfụ, wee na-ebe akwa maka ha ji ndụ ha wee chụọ aja. Ana m asị chukwu na ESN ji gbaa ogige ndụ ọ bụ ogige ọnwụ. Na ọsọ anyị na-agbacha ọsọ anaghị agụ manya. Omemma yerite ugwu ya, omenjọ yerite ugwu ya. A ga-enwe ihe a na-akpọ accountability. Chukwu okike Obinigwe nke atọ. Ebepụrụ m gị wee sị gị chekwaba US. Ọkachasị HOD n'onwe ya Maazị Chike Doziem.
n'afọ ji wee nọchite flọ afọ ji nọchite flọ ka ọ nọ na ihe flọ na-eme here na ọ maka na deep down his mind he's not praying, no. What he's doing is acting just to get your attention, for you to feel what Chineke. Look at the building, this building, background building here, this picture, different flag all everywhere, shop on the mother, a blue different flag, man, a fancha in Afia. We're using a editing platform, we manage flag for everywhere. Show nearby Tello, flag for quarterly hour. Ubulu Gama Buna wall. If you're not a neighbor, you got different flag everywhere. You often go to change my eyeglass, my paint, your hair, Biafra flag, just to make you believe that you're watching it. That's all. And you are joining. If believes or doggy, only to check before what even myself, it is empty. I'm telling you, be very, very careful. If on a marker now watching it, now. If these guys are truly fighting for Biafra, he won't have time discussing Emmanuel Kanu, Kanu. Your mind will be about your allies. Your mind will be about how you make it work. How you if you have to contribute boo from your effort. Mano okwe na Chineke biko gechobado Kanu ta Kanu gechobado Emmanuel Kanu kana ife ga-akụrụ oge. Just if you want to understand what I'm saying, ask yourself this question: how many minutes? In fact, let me put it this way: if I ask you, how many minutes have you seen DPM? Like, how many minutes do you think she spent talking about Ogenkere? And how many minutes do you think she spent talking about Nigerian government and what they're doing? The highest which she will tell you that Biafrans don't mind this. What is this word that she normally use? Mediocres. That these guys have done this, and she will just refer what they have done in cabinet, go flyer. Within the circle of brigging. She will highlight few things, what these guys have done. She will tell you these individuals are inconsequential. Then after that, she will move forward. Mediocres, of course. She will move forward and spend time talking about Nigeria, what they have done, that kind of thing. Somebody will fall nature. Like this. There's a post that she made that if I have her number, I would have called her today. But DPM posted a picture, a kind of certificate. People in the cabinet that discuss with DPM should tell her. You see, anytime Lazuba says something, I don't even want her to reply like. Forget anything before like Yaku. Because Lazuba, she always feel younger. That woman value DPM very, very much. People don't understand. People don't know this. All due to she value DPM. She rate her so high. So when DPM talk to her or reply anything that she said, she always feels so happy. You don't understand the joy. On about time before on camera. I'm telling you, on about time before on camera. Because she made a video with OBS claiming that DPM is not medical, that she did not put doctor in her name. Why she were this is not DPM don't need to reply that. Because oh, even though you don't know somebody, but if you know it's nice. You want to go now? Like if I wake up tomorrow and na Oluchiwa God or Madam Origin, na fa boy press one man na street. Ma be like na wall get signals. Not possible. Even that I have not made them one-on-one. But my conscience will tell me what the person can do. I may not know you 100%, but at least I can sense few things about what my instinct is telling me. I always follow my mind. She don't need to reply them and all that. What am I trying to tell you? DOS have two jobs to do. One, agitation should not end. Two, we always open our hand to receive something from Nigerian government. Anybody that disagree with this, you are an enemy. You are pure enemy to them. If you don't know this, you are and you are in a sharp DS, you are a gunner. Let's listen to this with this guy. All the floor when I call you negative.
The gentleman by nature. Na deputy ya toro nzuru n'ike. Hey! Ezigbo nwoke. Afudimba fogorogo imi ya. Abiaze na share na.
Okay, yeah, oh, Madam Origin, maybe, let me just, yeah, it must, if there's any other reason, I hope not because of Lazuba. Maybe if there's any other reason for that, no problem. I wanted to record that video. I said, no, I don't want Lazuba to be rejoicing, but yeah, the good. If there's any other reason, I don't want it. She's too big for Lazuba. Very, very big. And she's too big for Lazuba. Obese boy go to camera maka we give the from there. Okay. Anyway, let's focus on this floor eater.
GOC Maazị Shina Sanwo-Olu. Hey, adọ ya no kwechiri. Osini ha ya apụ maka ndị ju ndụ ha wee chọọ aja. Na ya apụtago bụ na ya apụtago asị nge. Gbaa ya ogige ndụ. Ebo ni ebubo. Emeni ihe akaji dị iche iche. O kwechiri ekwechi na ego ahụ ya apụtararị. Ana m asị gị nekwa na European rep n'onwe ya. Nekwa European rep odogwu. Ọ dị nkekere mmiri. Nke yitu igwe oyi ọsọ. Ọkaka Maazị Agbaghị chekwaba ya na deputy ya Azayoba deputy. Ana m asị gị nekwa na Maazị Ọfọma, the head of media n'ụwa niile. Ha dọọ na ekwechiri. Na members of DS mmadụ ka nnachi ha ka nkụ ọ ka mma abụba.
Please permit me to drag this video. Oh yeah, but if I now follow when they will take a freedom, you can see the mindset. On the Europe, on the Europe. I suppose in a village, Kruma, ni more for one corner name before name. Man, no, you be from flag. Not okay, drown on even bucket in there. China kana beno no okay daba na ime by sudden o ebubuta ozi ọ na aka na moroko na road na so gamma mama drag over cause me ya ọ na akọ ire ebe abụrụ fe mbele ime
aya apụtago.
Sorry, I greet you. You're welcome.
Aya apụtago ị na-agachi azụ ụbụ ọnwụ ịgara ere ụbụ ndụ obinigwe nke atọ gọdị ya na-akpụ n'ala.
Margaret, I'm not yet a tata.
Akwa nkwuchakwa asị m ọkịza na akparị maazị na mọdụ ka na-eji ọ bụ mkparị ka nna akparị. Akwa eziokwu ka m na-ekwu. Eziokwu m na-ekwu obinigwe. Bụrụ m ụzọ baya maazụ. Ọ yere egbu m. Ọ ga-eji ya nazere isi. Maka ngịnị na eziokwu ya bụ ndụ. Ana m asị gị ọkaka.
But okay mmadụ ga-esi ọpụtara man of different between asị. You have issue with that law. What? Why is it that they don't know? So if you see truth, you can't recognize it. With our phone again, if not that you guys try this nonsense on PM, maybe you would have deceived me. But this one, we are still the only people that you guys did that this canteen are new to them. Maybe those that that used to join you guys in attacking PM, because maybe they're not seeing that thing that we saw then. They get it.
You do the DS. You check about ESN. You do the IPOB.
Yes, if you don't know, this is 23 minutes of his video. 23 minutes has come and gone. This guy can already put a
join. I see man in the Kanu. I love the man. He's an handsome man. I love the way he talk. Even though you don't get Biafra, it doesn't matter. We have them. They're our miss. We have the gullible zombies. They did not come for Biafra. They did not come because they love Mazin Kanu. They come for distraction. Those are the people you can hear. If you call the Azona coordinator, they will tell you for the past 5 years, they have never paid dues. For the past 5 years, which Mazin Kanu was adopted, they have never been to any protest anywhere in Europe. They will tell you for the past 5 years.
You can see the first achievement this guy mentioned here is what? Joining them in protest is also part of that. If you go sleep, they won't watch it. First and foremost, you are paying your monthly dues.
They can't take risk because of Mazin
Second thing, hold on, Michian. Second thing is that you are joining them in to protest in the streets of Europe. Did you hear what she said? That in IPOB there are categories of people. Those who joined IPOB because Mazin is a handsome man, he speaks very well. That's all. That they did not join because they want Biafra. And there are some those who joined because the Mazin is the one talking on Radio Biafra and all that. That those ones, they don't even pay monthly dues. That's number one problem. They don't pay monthly dues and they don't join this. They don't spend their time joining them to protest in Europe. For past 5 years, remember they have started protesting before PM even joined out. Before PM started broadcasting, they have been protesting in Europe, gathering together with the flag at enough, moving from place to place, shouting Biafra, but without any strategy, no objective, no target, no goal whatsoever. Just wake up from year to year, buy your clothes, dress yourself with different costume, come out, wear your sneakers, look nice, cut your hair, shape your beards, carry flag. If you have children, you come with you, bring them. If you have wife, because nobody's going to throw tear gas. You understand? After everything is just normal, just like carnival. That is sweet them die. No, that's number one. Number two, contributing money for buffet, cooking, maybe rice, potato and all that, gathering them, gathering themselves in one corner. Of course, look for a place that is very close to nearby roadside hotel lagas. About 1 or 2 after carnival in name of protest. They have been doing this year after year, year after year, year after year, year. Nothing to show for it. Even though Gengere, in space of 1 year, look more nice than US. I'm just telling you. Even though because why Ogekere look nice? Because Ogekere hijacked PMA fault. Not that he's any fault. The only thing that Ogekere have initiated is just 2 things. 1, destroying the Biafran Liberation Army. 2, and forgery and altering. That's all, like changing document. Nothing more. That's the only thing that Ogekere, initiated, started, and executed. 2 things. But despite that, Ogekere still look better than them. How can you get Biafra by moving from street of Europe to another, carrying Biafran flag? They are enjoying it. Had it been that some country, normally throw tear gas on them, you think they'll be? I'm not saying shooting, ordinary tear gas. You think they'll be talking about protests? How many of them in Europe have led any protest in Nigeria? Let me ask again: how many of them in the US have come down, lead any protest in Nigeria. No. But the what I can find the man have led so many protests in Nigeria. In Nigeria, yes. But he's the one that they are using to do caricature, laughing and mocking him. After all, they have an insider. No. I don't blame them 100% because somebody is actually fueling them from inside. The person that can even discuss about the Mazamacanos boxers to them. Tell them, look at the boxer. You know what I mean? Oh, look at the way look at his brush. Look at his shaving stick. This is his tower. The man is like they're discussing Mazamacano to these people that cannot offer anything. An insider is busy. Because I want to show my grievances, I want to display my anger, and these DOS, the only thing they do just number to add number. What PM called Major Hero India. Biafra, oh yeah, voice, multitude of voice. Oh yeah, you know that kind of thing. That's the only thing. Apart from that, nothing more. In space of 5 good years, 5 healthy years. Nothing to brag about. They spend time with back and forth, that for 5 complete 5 years now. The moment PM is in, they realize that we are not fighting anything here. Because the job don't, I believe that most of them will be regretting why they even testified against PM, because PM was one keeping them together. Had PM been still here, they will not even have this division they have now. You think they will divide? No. They will not. Even Darlington and Methuselah would have been there. Thinking that Mazamacano is saying what he said because of Simon. The moment PM is not here, oh, Mazi, what are we doing? Mazi, let's just wait to what the command. 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago. We are not doing anything. They realize that look, we have not been doing anything. Our job happened to be attacking saying from Monday to Friday. Not what have they done? Because they are jobless and they must attack somebody. They have looked around, nobody to attack. They cannot attack DPM, Dr. Abeze. Why? Because they don't know where to start. They don't know anything about her. So the easy target is Mazamacano. That is what is going on. I'm sure some of them, if they can tell you the truth, they are regretting why they even submitted, because PM happened to be the person that unified them all this while. Under 3 months now, the level of Katakata didn't even Pope will not make such peace. It must come from above. I'm telling you. Negent.
By bringing up to 700 € to travel within Germany to Italy, Germany to Spain,
Achievement.
Germany to Netherlands,
How to give you Biafra.
Spain to Switzerland,
If I don't know,
Germany to Switzerland,
Switzerland
to Germany, Italy to Germany. They can't go anywhere. 700 €, they will come.
Give a girl all this while. He made a protest and made the Queen go yoga. PM Simon Ekpa have not even called for protests anywhere in the streets of Europe. Why? Because he knows the road. Man, somebody got out of school, like some of them say that they graduated, they actually graduated from their mother's womb. They don't need to go to school. Their mother built the one gigantic institution in her womb. And these guys participated. In fact, they have took their common entrance, Gino YX, they even passed through tertiary institution in their mother's womb before the mother delivered them. When you talk about education, they will tell you, no, I am a graduate from birth. First and never, did you Then you never see anything. They get and then I'm a master of Ghana. Oh, you can come along and say, only I say that Nachike doesn't work Amazon Ghana school. Not get they enlightened. All of them, they are looking for a way to rubbish mass Ghana. That is, if that one did not let you tell you who you are dealing with, then I'm sorry. I'm just silent and Chike doesn't. Omona, how many of you have listened to Chike doesn't State of Nation broadcast or just like where have you watched him speak, like his live video or even where he's making his speech? 20 minutes. I don't want to be greedy. I wanted to say 40 minutes, just 20 minutes. But every Saturday, DPM will host Biafrans giving update for sometimes almost 1 hour. Because if I get them. But silent achiever can never spend 20 minutes and tell you what he has achieved. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Silent achiever. They get going to
calculate it. No, you bukao. Ngaba na kiya yeme. I ask no protest. Panu protest like epani yo. They know the value of money. But they are the one who are in the camp of indigenous people of Kanu, IPOB. And they have their own radio station. And the person that condemned their radio station is the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazin Namodi Kanu, which is the senior brother of the two people in charge of IPOB. One is Alamajiri Emmanuel Kanu, which is the junior brother. The second brother is the one that Darlington says is not the brother, called Kingsley Ezebiro, aka Kanu Takanu, a complete criminal, a thief.
I'm sorry.
Says me with evidence. Is known for embezzling money that belongs to IPOB. And labor you people that want to Diego were tap off. They are the one in charge of IPOB, indigenous people of Kanu. So the money that was contributed by IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra, is what they are using to recruit the indigenous people of Kanu at this very moment. And they have already formed all manner of names. Number one, Autopilot government in exile. Number two, Idu Republic. Number three, Rising Sun and Aviv. Number four, 100 Men Divine and Shabbat Shalom Security Outfit. Farmer Motherland Hogan Harvester. And inside the Shabbat Shalom, you have men on skirts, the one that Achalugo represent as the recruiter. Achalugo is the one in charge of the women's zone. Is the one recruiting women in Anambra State. But after I made that breaking news, they pause. They pause. They pause. They pause, so no jokes. They say, who is giving information to...
You know, this guy actually thinks, you see how he's like, to him, he's doing well, you know, he's saying the truth. I hope you listen to the name that he mentioned. He called names that comes to his mind, that Mazen Kanu and his brothers are funding Autopilot. They are funding government in exile. They are funding Rising Sun. They are funding Men on Skate. They are funding the Front Liberation Army. They are funding. They will even tag them to APC. You know why? His anger is because the reason why the main objective why he joined IPOB or DOS, that reason has been jeopardized, which is let us enrich ourselves. Mama Simon, I see you. You're welcome. Let us enrich ourselves. Let us make money. Once that money is not coming, it's a very big problem to them. Once that money, the reason why they were looking to buy PM, honestly, I know why. Let me tell you, I know why they are very angry to PM Simon Ekpa. Some of us think that because they are just jealous of PM. No, not just, it's beyond that. When Masan Kanu was kidnapped, their plan was to, in fact, that's the best opportunity this guy have ever have in their life. Like, they have not seen that kind of miracle before. Because they were in position to enrich themselves based from the contribution. But the mistake they made is that they're dealing with people who actually know what they know. Because Igbo, Ifi Makama, that thing, you think that make you unique. I also have my own way. You understand? To touchlight you. PM, ended that business instanta. Hey, they couldn't believe it. They were thinking that it's just a easy, just 1 week. They said they're gonna deal with him within 1 week. He's going to pack his mic and his system and go. That is why till tomorrow, the anger they have on PM, none of us could imagine that. It is very deep. I'm telling you. And delaying it because after PM is no longer here, they thought that okay, the road is now free. They thought that the road is totally free. They have tested it. They know that we are not making anything anymore. Let us go and find the money in the account. We need that money in the account. How can Kanu family be the only one enjoying it? Now, according to the people that designed that edited Debunking with this one, Emene no Ogaraga, Emena Agaraga. I played that song when I started here, right? The same thing is what these people are passing through. They actually need this money, and they need money to do what? Now I'm not going to Europe for a very long time. If I get you a more lawyer, na buy. It does need to go down or bamo to Ibonan. So this IPOB business is actually the main reason they want to. In fact, that's the reason why they join, to enrich themselves. When Mapucho a coordinator. Now, Ibrahim actually was dreaming to become Minister of Information, and people that are they will be in charge of a radio corporation in Biafra, or Obona Biafra members. The level of settlement I get required. They don't believe that people will even resist it. So the attack is well understandable. If you don't know, I'm just telling you because you can hear what he's saying. What does Kanu, which they know that this man has nothing to do with Autopilot or Briggy? We go to 1 naira since and see Neniaya cross out to PM. Not even one. Man, I drag the Kanu. I drag everybody to that because that is easy way to make Mazan Namorkana and his family look bad. After all, estate is go Samaneba, or he's facing issue in Finland. So let us use it to justify the one Makana is going through. Due to for you to know the level of desperation, if they prefer to sacrifice it, never than to make sure that Mazan Namorkana is free. That he's free from from what Biafrans are thinking about him. by selling him to let him remain in Sokoto. Why is he pineapple? He's telling you that remember, connect it to what Ejofo was saying. That he's Mazen Kanu is what is that's the way he put that statement. That Mazen Kanu is in a high spirit. Uchechi once said that he's living more comfortable than most of you that are outside. I'm just trying to remind you. I think maybe 2 years. Maybe 2 years. Uchechi Kanu said he made it public that Mazen Kanu is even living better in DSS dungeon than most of you that is outside. So Kevin na double Ebon don't feel fit there. Oye nkana na odo choli na floor. We don't learn when na gwaze that na okwu mom na abali guy. This guy in ekwu a I don't want to be so I don't want to sound funny. I can swear that this guy they ought to be $2,000. If you know one of the guy, money. This guy have not contributed his own contribution. He's not up to like since up on IPOB, what to be up to $2,000. Man, every day now, every guy. A guy in now. Oh, one of his videos say that now Mazakan is enjoying himself. No guy. Yeah, he rented a private jet. He's just moving from country to country using that private jet. He went to what is the name of this country? Ethiopia. From Ethiopia to other country in East Africa before going to Kenya and all that. He was enjoying himself with our money. We're up in Europe. So that statement, we're up, simply means that if Mazakan had called them to join to be, member in that private jet, that according to what they're saying, they wouldn't have come out to cry out. Now the anger that not supposed to be quiet. And if they were going to that I only get that the Mazakan can then release a gun on account of how we join maybe the money enjoy. Why are they focusing in that money? Because they cannot generate another money because Biafran's eyes are non-open. Nobody is paying monthly dues. Nothing. What they're doing is they will contribute among themselves and share it among themselves. It's no longer coming from stranger. So they will be, because they have positioned themselves to enjoy the money and money will be flowing freely. Their own is to open your hand and receive. The account is open. Bring it here. Because very soon I will bring Chinasa Woru's video, his own message. I will bring it up. I don't want to bring it now. I want this guy. That's something I want him to say before.
The radical kids of Biafra. Now let's break it down, and we are going to be breaking it down by justifying everything we are going to say on this very program with the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the one that
just a moment, I'll be right back. Listen to what he's saying.
It condemns any other group. It condemns any group that is going to rise. He say IPOB family is the key. You must look for any rare zone. Join IPOB. He say family is the key. That Ndibo are gullible. Anybody that rise up in the name of Biafra want to have their own group. He say, what kind of nonsense is that? Today, we are expecting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to speak from DSS facility for decades. He refused to condemn Simon Ekpa. He refused to call Simon Ekpa out for evil. Now is in Sokoto, which the siblings play the ultimate role by sentencing their own senior brother to life imprisonment. And they are not stopping because their mission is to destroy IPOB. You can see how they are using the money that belongs to IPOB to recruit all manner of gangsters. These are gangsters, so calling people gangsters. These are stomach infrastructures in the name of freedom fighter. But to justify what we are saying, let's bring Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to the program. I am not the one. The audio I'm about to play is the audio of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And after that, I will ask our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu a question. I will ask a question because these are the reasons they will say, okay, Biafra man. Nah, what are you doing now? What are you doing now? Are you not challenging Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? The answer is no. I am trying to correct everything that is wrong. How Mazen Nnamdi Kanu abandoned IPOB without informing IPOB, without informing indigenous people of Biafra all over the world that is about to relocate to Kenya, without informing the leadership. And when we say it's a heart of sabotage, you say it's an insult. It's the reality. But because you are a coward, you don't want to agree. Because you cannot say what I'm saying on media. You can't talk, you can't confront it, you can't say it. So now I don't need any position. I need position. I'm supposed to be a friend of Kanu Takanu. Joining the side of Kanu Takanu. So when Mazen Nnamdi Kanu come.
Now, these people, they have never opened their mouth and mentioned that thing that Simon Ekpa said, okay, or what he did that warrant Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to condemn him. Let me repeat again. All of them, they have never opened their mouth, mention what that thing that Simon Ekpa said or did that warrant Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to publicly denounce PM Simon Ekpa. Even Nigerian government have not even, initially, they don't link anything that happened after the arrest of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. It was these people that was reminding them that Simon Ekpa. Because it is very obvious. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was with DSS. And they are monitoring him, they are following him up. But these guys they're outside shouting, oh, check on him, oh, see, oh, Simon Ekpa. Now, even now that Mazen Kanu have been tried, they have tried him and sentenced him and everything. He is still linking anything that happened outside to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That he refused to condemn Simon Ekpa. You that is outside, condemn him now. Have you not been condemning him? Everything that you guys could do, you have done it from A to Z. That thing that you felt that you have access to, you have exhausted your strategy, your tactics, you have used everything. Yet, you are still having headache about him.
Outside. Kanu will present me to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will start Radio Biafra. Mazen Okija Biafra man, the radical one. I don't need that kind of thing. I have to be transparent. We know what happened. We don't want to be part of that. We want to be part of those men who are resolute, who never look your face and tell you your sin in your present. But before that, we are going to be listening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Let's go.
Before that, I want you to remember the video that I uploaded earlier today, where Udele was reminding Ike Guruago that look, these people that you think they are angels in the US, that they are all Udele, he rates all of them the same. To him, he said that they are all the same, according to him. But Ikenga is picking and choosing, picking and selecting the people that is my man, my guy, my this, because Ikenga is still interested in what is going on in IPOB, so that he will be gathering information to pass it to Nigerian government. Everything Ike Guruago is saying is from the US. Let me remind you again, everything Ike Guruago is saying, the US are the one giving it to him. Of course, now, how can it not be him? They are the one giving. That's why he's in love with them. But Udele don't see it that way. Udele enjoy the message that these guys are supplying to them, but they still want to give them the same judgment that he's giving other people. Like we're getting.
Indigenous people of Biafra, we are IPOB.
Please, when there's something I said before. I told you that these guys, everything about them, they will put Biafran, they will attach it to them. Look at the cup, his tea cup. Wait, he drank.
I will ask a question.
Just wait, I will hold it.
These are the reasons they will say, okay, Biafra man. Nah. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Are you not challenging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? The answer is no.
Oh, deny.
I am trying to correct everything that is wrong.
So please, watching him now, listen to this guy for the past 34 minutes. What do you think? I mean, which of this video that we have just played down that sounds to you like as a correction, that he's trying to correct something? Where's that correction? You are trying to correct something. Which of this part of your video appear to correct anything? Nothing. Negative, because they are all wired to lie. Even without the Biafra movement, meeting them one-on-one, you are meeting a liar. Remember, I told you, everything about them, they will put Biafran flag on in everything about them. You will see his teacup now. He will carry it up very soon, because I just drive the video back for you to understand, for you to watch that teacup. I told you that even the spoon, they will paint the Biafran flag.
How Mazi Nnamdi Kanu abandoned IPOB without informing IPOB, without informing indigenous people of Biafra all over the world that is about to relocate to Kenya, without informing the leadership. And when we say it's a heart of sabotage, you say it's an insult. It's the reality. But because you are a coward, you don't want to agree. Because you cannot say what I'm saying on media. You can't talk, you can't confront it, you can't say it. So now I don't need any position. I need position. I'm supposed to be a friend of Kanu Takan. Joining the side of Kanu Takan. So when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come outside, Kanu will present me to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will start Radio Biafra. Mazi Okija Biafra man, the radical one. I don't need that kind of thing. I have to be transparent. We know what happened.
Transparent.
We don't want to be part of that.
Ego.
We want to be part of those
men
who are resolute,
transparent.
who never look your face and tell you your sin in your present. But before that, we are going to be listening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's 3 minutes and 18 seconds.
Pay attention.
Let's go.
In prisoners, people of Biafra.
Now, I not tell you. See the teacup, Biafran flag also. What again now? If I need he's more to them. What makes you Biafran is how many Biafran costume you have in your house, like the flag, your spoon, your plate, your handkerchief, your bedsheet, your curtain, your rug, if you are using rug in your house, your cushion, name it, everything. In fact, even TV set, painted Biafran flag, they think up Biafran flag. Now, we work on somebody now attack, they destroy everything. I swear, these people don't have conscience. Somebody the platform where they destroy everything. We'll paint him, they will paint even the shoe. So I'm going to even somebody now. It is so gullible. If it's hi, this guy no watching it, no watch. Look at him now. Look at his beret, Biafra. Look at his clothes, Biafra. Look at that part of the video, Biafra costume, Biafra flag, Masamano Kanu, everything. Background, Biafra flag. Up there, Biafra flag. Of photo is paint the way Ilia get out with the Biafra flag. Okay, paint Ilia. Yes, now Kikuta no Biafra. No one watching it. Kizumu watching it. I swear, it was a fanaka. Fatty check guilty, but not by the much other street. Good. Look at the teacup. Honestly, I didn't know that this guy have a teacup around him when I was telling you this initially. Surprisingly, I'm up with the teacup of one of them. And okay, Kifuna. Now let me tell you this. There's a video of one man, one elderly man. I think he knows Sumo or Sihutokwa. After Udele went to Mother Valley and busted everywhere and all that, right? The man was saying that if there's any woman that's a frying akara, okay, and that woman is wrapping people's akara with newspaper that has Biafran flag on it, that they are going to pour that woman that anything that has to do with the Biafra is prohibited. They don't want to see it, they despise it, and in fact, that anybody, he even went as far as saying that the people bearing Kanu, although they don't bear Kanu in their place, but if there's anybody bearing Kanu, they are going to rename that person. Otherwise, the person should leave the village. That's the level of hatred. Listen, I'm going somewhere. The man was making this statement in the presence of Udele, who is working hand in hand with Chibuzegwat, right? Chibuzegwat and Udele are in love with DOS, this group that hate Masakan with everything. Now, remember, they hate anybody that want to buy anybody that make use of Biafran flag or talking about Biafra. If they get their way, they'll buy you. They will do anything to eliminate that person according to what they said, yo. But their best friends and their contacts are those that are actually using that Biafran flag more than anybody, and they don't complain. They're okay with it. What does that tell you? It tells you that when these guys appear on Biafran flag like this, they are appearing on it for a reason, to make you that don't know, you don't know much. I don't want to insult anybody, but I think like you're unable to articulate reason behind what they're doing. To you, it is just another, freedom fighter. The reason why they're dressing, they're wearing those things and parade themselves as Biafran freedom fighter and all this thing is to deceive you. That's why these guys using Biafran flag everywhere. But the assignment is for green, white, green, original one. This is the same class of people that design Mazam Kanu, green, white, green. Before now, as of 2021, 2022, their profile, all of them has green, white, green. Mazam Kanu as a white, that white in Nigerian flag. They put Mazam Kanu wearing that, what do they call that brand? That cloth, they called it. Someone should remind me. I have forgotten the name of the cloth that Masakano won when they kidnapped him. Please, what name of that? What name of that cloth? Because that picture of Masakano is what they use in replacement of white color in Nigerian flag. They put green, Masakano green. We complained about it. If you remember. Who do you think are responsible of that? They are now showing themselves. That people, because the assignment is to Fendi. Thank you so much. That is what I was looking for. That's what I was. Yeah, Fendi. Thank you so much, Fendi. Yes, they were looking for a way to pass a very strong message to Nigerian government to tell them that he is for Nigeria. We are also in line with it. We are in support of that. They don't believe that Masakano will hold firm. They don't believe that, and that is another reason why they are attacking him. They are not demanding their money because they are not here for Biafran or this kind of stubbornness that Masakano is showing. No. The agenda is to, once this thing happens, he will succumb and we are going to back him up. We'll rise again, we cover him, we make money, we tell Biafrans that this is a way, freedom fighters don't need to die, you don't need to pass through pain, all these things. We actually understand ourselves. After all, politicians are our brother. These are the same people that told you that you cannot get Biafra without Igbo politicians. Anybody that opened his or her mouth and said that you cannot, that you need Igbo politicians for you to get Biafra. Anybody saying that is lying to you. That person needs to check. You need to recheck that person. You need to reassess the person, because it is a lie from pit of hell. It's not possible. They're actually the one that isn't even holding your freedom. And keep Bazwa. They are the one. Please, I beg those, if you have any access to Soludo's town hall meeting in UK, I need that video. I don't know where to get it. The one I have is not the way I want. The person that uploaded it was talking in between, it's constantly talking. So I cannot make use of that. But anyway, let's because that video should, in case if I've watched it, you are lucky. If you have watched it, you are lucky. That video should let you know the level of hatred they have, these governors have on Master Morgan. If you see how they rush banner, like placards, written Free Master Morgan, Soludo government, rush it and tear it into pieces. I swear I was like, wow. I don't know that. If you are for Master Morgan, if you see these governors run away, I'm telling you, because they will buy you. The level of hatred they have for Master Morgan. But we see Boko Haram, they are innocent. They pushed the man out of that hall. They walked him out. The same government that is always saying that Master Morgan, we the studies and governors, we are doing our best to make sure that we release him. I can tell you that federal government of Nigeria actually want to release Master Morgan. The main problem is governors. Mandi can the same. And they're yet to tell us that that problem, the massacre, is causing them. Anyway, I'm surprised. So I'm honestly, genuinely, I was shocked.
Under one central command, under one leadership, under one directorate, under one coordination all over the world. And yet there is only one indigenous people of Biafra.
One indigenous people of Biafra, meaning IPOB. Also, one indigenous people of IPOB, meaning indigenous people of Kanu. No. The Mazen Namodi Kanu tell you we are IPOB, indigenous people of Kanu. No. One indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. Right? Let's continue to listen.
Now, before we allow him to play on, he is trying to emphasize that Mazen Kanu IPOK, that is indigenous people of Kanu, IPOK. K stands for Kanu, B for Biafra. So they have removed that, and because they are still in the process of, they are still in the business of destroying Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, right? And just to insult him and ridicule him. So the business is still on. But what you don't remember is that the same you that is referring to indigenous people of Biafra, one indigenous people of Biafra, you still can say that Mr. KK is not a member of IPOB because he's not an O2 member. Yet you want people to see you as indigenous. But before the word indigenous, you don't need to register to be indigenous. Like indigenous people of Biafra, indigenous people of this also place, it is always by birth. By birth, if you are from here. But if you want to change your nationality, is different from the indigenous we are talking about. Indigenous people are origin of this from someone that is originated from here, not someone that was documented to come from here, not someone that is that was baptized to come from here. No. The same you will love to use the word indigenous. The same you will still come out and tell us, no, you are not a member of the IPOB because you are not registered, you are not an O2 member. When the going suit you, you started looking for registered members. When the going start getting tough, maybe there's something that has to do with you are not choosing. That is why I said that most of these people actually need serious help. They need help in so many ways. You cannot just eat your cake and have it. It's either you are in or you're out. It's either you are in or you're out. Hear him again. Because what he's trying to tell you is that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, after saying this, he's now talking about forming another people or forming another group. And I will tell you why that Mazen Kanu chose to make that decision. What he said, if Mazen Kanu is not God, he cannot say something and stand on it forever. As the season comes, the statement will change. Based on what is at hand when he made that comment, you cannot hold it on, use that to tie him down. That's the reason why things is the way it is. And when he was making this statement, he was still here. Then nobody, your voice is nowhere to be found. You dare not even say all this nonsense in his presence. But because anyway, I don't blame you.
They want to establish fake group, government in exile, Autopilot, Liberation Army, Umwama, Motherland Organization, Aka Snatchers. They want to establish fake group, Rising Sun of Biafra. You grab it now, they put Biafra there. Avid. You grab it. Divine 100 men. Divine. Divine is there. Divine 100 men. Hey! It's in now. Don't you see? Mazin Namod Kanu is our leader. He's smart. He's in Sokoto now. He said divine. Divine 100 men. Meaning they are chosen by Chuko Kikabiala. Some of them.
Now, he was trying to mock himself by telling you that as long as Biafra is there, people will grab it. The same reason that made him to paint everything about him Biafra flag. That mentality, because for you are using it now, without knowing that's your own trademark. You are putting everything about you Biafra flag to make people to see, oh, this guy, even though he's not a Masakan, he's actually interested in Biafra freedom. But at the end of the day, you are working against Biafra freedom. Why are you putting on Biafra? This guy can wear this Biafra flag and be working in the street of Nigeria. Nobody will touch him. You know why? Because they know he's a well-certified agent. They're not going to touch him. But if they check your wallet and see that you have a gemma, one coin, a gemma, you are going to DSS threat. So from that moment, you can't see any. You can't see any. You will not be out for some months, if not years.
Let's continue, please. They want to deceive you. They want to cheat you. Some idiot. Oyendu, the idiot we have seen them. Oh. They are from Kanus. One is Kinsley Zebiro, aka Kanu Takano. One is Alamajeri Emmanuel. The one that always live down in the north, begging for money to take some snuff in the nose. Go on, please now. I know you kill our people, but even though it's 1 million naira, give me. I need to take my Aquaramon Adamu Waka Waka. Can what and up for a last. Let's continue to listen, please. He's talking about Methuselah wearing this cap, wearing Biafran t-shirt, pretending to be a member of IPOB, and he's going to CCs now. He never paid dues. He never paid Shingba. He come on air.
Why would he pay anything when he know that we are not doing anything? You see these people, so that you can order food for buffet and more flag, nothing more. You see, the problem is that when you have these people in your midst, like when you have them around you, thinking that you have people that actually care about their freedom. You don't know that you have nobody, my people. Nobody. Their intention is totally different from your own intention. That is the gospel. What they want to achieve is not what you want to achieve. You see, everything this guy is talking here is about money, money, money. Since I started playing him, money, 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 money. Did you hear him talking about what DUS did, how they nearly got this because the money was not enough? No. DUS was doing this and doing that. They asked Kanu to release money to achieve this, to achieve that. No. Oh, the only thing they're telling is that, where is our money? This is our money. Oh, and this is I don't, if Mazam can come out I don't think he will ever have gathering like these people again. It is far better to have one single deputy than, I don't know how, but on a serious note, why did Master kind of think that this kind of thing will work? People who never be in any meaningful thing in life, like, I don't understand. But you know what? Let me not blame him, because you have to start with from somewhere. Andrew, you're watching from behind. You're watching from behind. You are still talking about Fendi. That I asked that question a very long time ago. Maybe you are not gonna even. He's still talking about Fendi. No, not Fendi. We have bypassed that one by there. Anyway, let's continue.
Promise ESA 150 euro. You never remit them. Some idiots. We claim to be member of IPOB. They don't contribute nothing. Financially, if they are having protests in Germany, you inform them there is protest. I say, Kija, that day night is my off. I want to use it to sleep. Anything I say on my brokers, I have met people. Many of them. I want to sleep. Nah, protest, lead protest. They are the people they are talking about. They just want to, the way Methuselah fly the kite. If you want to help you,
Why won't the person sleep? Knowing fully well that your protest is just to, to sleep around and make new friends, new girlfriend. Nothing more. What is the outcome of your protest? All this one, nothing. You see, you are still here talking about protest.
Going to Swiss year, since the adoption of Mazen Amodi, can you only pay 2 months? You know they pay again. For Methuselah to pay is campaigning, telling Darlington, let's mobilize. Tell people not to produce anymore. Okay, Madam Abanja, can know reality.
About this jobless guy. Let's move to this video of Chinasa Woru, okay? This message. And why I'm playing this because I want you to remember some time ago, Aloy Ejimako, when he was dragging PM to give up on sit at home for this for latecomers. Aloy Ejimako once said that the PM was begging Enugu State governor. Remember? That PM was begging that you are begging Enugu State governor for money, that you always beg. How many of you remember those days when Aloy made that comment? I think he put it in writing or yeah, I think is he on video? I can't remember. But that statement, Aloy Ejimako sometime makes utterances like that. I think by written form or I don't know. Maybe you can remind me. Chinasa Woru reminded him here in the video, this message you're about to hear. And he was trying to sound as if he cared in audio WhatsApp message. They now released that message of Chinasa Woru without releasing what Aloy Ejimako said to him. These duels are very deadly. But the mistake they made is by coming out in the first place to attack PM. That is when that singular move is what is making things difficult for them now. Yes, he said exactly. He said he made it. Exactly said he made it. I don't understand what you mean, Margaret. I don't understand what you mean. They thought that protesting would get Biafra for them. My sister, our mommy, Ngozika, you are right, but they are making mistake. They're making mistake. They don't know what they want. He made a video with WhatsApp chat. Okay. Thank you so much. He claimed that PM was begging for. You know, I started by telling us when you are fighting, because for those of you that just joined us, anytime you are fighting somebody, always know when you are going far, when you are going out of line. That Nalo Ejimako said those days, I believe if he have his way down to retrieve it back, he will, because it is not true. And he knew that he was lying. But he was so desperate to ridicule PM since he refused to buy into the idea. I don't know what happened to him. I don't know how much they paid him, because it is obvious that governors somehow, governors of Southeast, maybe any good governor, any governor at all. This is my own instinct. I don't have any proof. Okay, I felt like governors were using Aloy Ejimako that period of time, because he was always in Enugu, always in East, you know, meeting governor and all that. And Aloy opened his mouth and said that PM was begging governors for money through him, knowing fully well that these governors we are talking about had been promising PM heaven on earth. The same promises they made to America, and they were making the same thing to PM, because the agenda was to frustrate Mazam Kanu within 1 to 2 years, so that he would be frustrated. It was after the arrest of PM Samonepa that Mazam Kanu felt the impact of his arrest. In case if you don't know, it was after the arrest of PM. This thing that will happen in Finland. This DOS don't know the damages, and what the decision of Mazam Kanu after the arrest of PM now should tell you that PM has been the backbone of Mazam Kanu all this while. He was looking more relaxed and more fresh. But look at Mazam Kanu after the arrest of PM. Okay? Even Nigerian government, the intelligence unit know what I'm talking about. They know that PM is the person that Mazam Kanu was driving, hoping on. And that is the reason why they unanimously joined hands together to blackmail him and get him out. Simply because they felt that taking him out will make Mazam Kanu to give up easily. They wanted to use that with like one stone to buy 2 birds. But yet, Mazam Kanu still hanging on by Chukwuka. Now, I want you to hear what Chinasa Woro was saying here. If you don't know, if you are too gullible, you will even fall for this. But when I was listening to that, I was laughing. You know, people can go at any length to deceive one another, but I'm here to let you know that this kind of thing should not move you, because it is not true. All I can tell you is, if you see evil, run away. Don't support evil. Don't join hands in any criminality. Do not support any attack on somebody that his or her hands are clean. It is better you did not even say anything than to join hands to attack the innocent. Watch.
And I'm amazing here on behalf of IPOB leadership. Barrister, ihe anyị na-ababa afọ ọhụrụ, achọrọ m draw your attention on it. Never you and a day any press release get for somebody or somebody complain about that na a politician na press release ibe. Barrister, anyị na gị ga-enwe problem. You don't have the intelligence we have on some of unu na-aga na-ego naka politicians. Unu na-aga na politicians ego na-agwa ha you will do this, you will do that. Wherever that ga-afa ebe IPOB no this time around. Onwe ihe gị na politicians na-ekwu last time you kwuru ya gị na ekpa ị gara agaga mee ihe ị gara ekpa with Enugu governor maka Chineke Aloy IPOB day press release or that Enugu governor in ekwu okwu ya. Do you know how many IPOB members that man needs they became more than nonsense? Have you brought out any person? More than 20 IPOB members are missing. This Mbale Brula. Any IPOB member. Obula ide press release una bara onye nka ona support kwa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ihuna here again the politicians naga alloy. E talk anyị na happy with problem. Wepa ha IPOB. Wepa ha IPOB. Don't interfere na ihe obula anyị na-eme. Nna werekwa audio message a send there Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Were ya send there Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Sikwe no him kwuru. Alloy obi adịghị m mma na this ọkwa ịhụrụ wọm mere with politicians. Ejichakwa m record ha niile. I have it. Ejichakwa m record niile. Unu were anyị na-eme ihe akaja. Ndị a na-egbu anyị. Ebucha anyị unu aga na site na ego jesi na don't worry. Ka ihe abụkwara first and last. IPOB ga-eme press release. Give us somebody. Maka Chineke, Gawa de any retrieve for that press release either. There anything about it. Everybody you know about it. You want that mother. Like a Nigerian government. Even in the hope of the money of Imo State, a condemn Otolaya. Have you condemned him? A condemn Otolaya. Every day, I call you know see. And I'm about this so poor today. That with a voice message. Maya very, very well. When I had day, you have a little day. Okay, who this year? I never. You need to know the other one. I have here. Why you need no at risk? You wouldn't try to and the press release you know about that. Maybe it's a politician who they defend. Or a politician needs to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu name. Give us a I did press release. I talk to any settlement. I talk to you. You know, put up nonsense. Can you do a press release against any politician or against all your people? They put a detail and you know, you can't cause them as in Nandekano, only a friend. Dissecting me for last year. I did a press release. Unpune de area. Counter area. Over Grebu kind of here. Coven to the market in a Grebu. I'm not going to for so long. With the audio message, save very well with any Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. With any union black. Alloy, what can I hear about IPOB issue? Can I happy with problem? All Brutus Mazi Nnamdi Kanu focus on there. What IPOB no again? You people have caused enough damage. You may not caricature of this struggle. You may not caricature of it. IPOB members, thousands of people. Last time prison, I won't know Gary Ija. And I Baburu. I would say by game and I come about. Of never go to Aram Kununa Barare. And I get a problem this year. I did a press release again, Pota. Biagwani, Onya, in the Enugu State Governor, Apota, not only proscribed IPOB members. In our idea, Pampire, in Abinia and yourself, Anastasia. And you come more down. You know, they come with 2 years and now what would you know now? Aguachalamge, can you hear about the last time I get the press release? Makachineke alloy. You want may interfere in the press release and your problem of them. I like get a fish here out. I like get a fish here out.
All right, so that was the Chinas Award there. To be honest with you, I felt like maybe this message may not even get to Aloy. Even if he gets to Aloy, there must be something. The reason why he made this thing is just to exonerate himself and read the caption that Patrick he came attached on the video because he's the one that released it. He said, the reason why Chinas Awolu must go down, like trying to tell you that he's a good guy, he's a good person, and he's doing good. People are misinterpreting what his job are trying to people are misunderstanding him. People don't understand what he's doing. He actually mean good. Are you getting it now? If not, that we do. Okay, now let me ask you. If any good state government is doing everything that this guy is saying that he's doing now, in fact, because to him now, or to people, he wants people to see him as people that are actually fighting government, fighting governors, giving them their own, portion of food, giving them what they deserve. Now we can see we are outside. We don't belong to any of them, right? Please, how is the Enugu government is receiving any impact from the US? How is the Anambra governor is receiving any impact from the US? How is the Abia governor receiving any impact from the US? Imo State, that one is their grandfather. I don't want to talk about it. How is a boy is receiving anything? Like, these governors are in peace and good time with them. But this man made this video as if truly they are giving them woto. They are blocking them. We must see it now. What are we seeing? Ordinary sit at home. This guy and their group fought it like never before. Yet, he's here one Alo Ejimako for not interfering, just to make people believe that they are doing something. Honestly, I'm asking a genuine question. That's why the link is out. Any of the US that is watching, please, you can come here and educate us how you guys are, dealing with the governors. Thank you so much. And we have Madam Origin in the house. Let's hear from you. You're welcome.
Well, hello, Mazikai. No.
You're welcome.
Wow, who else? Oh, Madam Ojugo. Oh, Sean Monster. I agree to Hiyama Mary Madinile. It's just, this is a task that must be done. I'm looking at the person that is here, Barrister Ejiofor, and you have these other two lawyers. You have
Barrister Emeka, the one they call Emeka, the one on red cap, and is Mazagano. 3 of them are Mazagano's lawyers.
All 3 of them.
All 3 of them, yes.
Yeah, all 3 of them. And when you look at the efforts they have put in, especially Aloy Ejimako, the efforts, I have read a few things about him. He was so into Biafra liberation that when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu says, be very careful, and he keeps screaming, you must be whiter than white. It's not just words. These are messages. These are messages you must ingrain in your heart. It takes an incorruptible person to scale through the level. Another person I bring close to, it will look eerie to say, okay, Satan, we talk. I mean, when you, please, everybody, whenever you are reading scriptures, remove all the Bible thing, or remove it and see it as a book of instruction, see it as a book that they nearly, a lot of, I think there was a time it was taken away from the people. I think there was a group, organization, or church that did everything. I think the Catholics still struggle up till today about, because if you're a typical Catholic, you are never introduced to read the scriptures. It is whatever the reverends tell you. But that book is
not true.
I'm just, please, I used to be a Catholic. I'm not, that is not.
No, that is not true. That's misinformation, Madam Origin, please, yo. There's what is called Bible study, Catholic. You know that?
No, Kai, that's true. That's true. Beginning, yes.
Mazika, that is true. They never believe in Bible. Go and read the history very well. It's just in recent days.
No, it's not. It's not belief.
Rejecting the Bible.
No.
Rejected the
Brother,
Bible.
you're getting it right. You're getting it right.
No, you are wrong, Ocean Master. 100. Let me continue. Let me hear you. Let me hear Madam Origin.
Now let me finish. It's not that they don't believe in Bible. Please do not misunderstand me.
Yes.
It is just that the reason why it was taken away, they felt that it was too deep, too immorimious, and all of that. So many
Misinterpretation.
misinterpretation. They don't need to
Yes.
misinterpret it and all of those. And then it's like, I remember my dad used to go with newspaper. Hello. So that is not what I'm talking about. Let us not digress. It has nothing to do with Catholicism. I'm saying broadly that the scripture was a whole lot they want to. Sometimes you go to deeper churches, they make it so woo, like everything is interpreted is like spiritual. If you're not spiritual, no, it is a book of direction. It's a book. So when they are telling you about Satan, it is about someone that is near perfect, but still, whenever your mind shifts, whenever there is a mind shift, be very careful. That is all I'm saying. I'm not talking about church. All I'm saying is whenever there is a mind shift or something is before you that is trying to alter what you believed in before, be very careful. Because Mr. Barrister Lloyd Mako was one of those that fought for Biafra. And when Simon Ekpa came in, maybe he felt threatened, or someone that is speaking louder, or the people are believing in, or something. I don't know what went wrong, because he was a true believer in Biafra cause. Now, fast forward. What happens today? As you guys, our media, these amazing people, you know what you people are doing? Please, everyone that is in media, stand your ground. What you are revealing and what you're helping us come out every day to unravel is the mystery to which Biafra nearly never came. The realization of this miracle that is needed, why it nearly never came, was the lies and the propaganda and the deceit. Why now? It is very obvious. The people that rallied around Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that when he was trying to form the Directorate of State, were criminals. Read my lip. They were criminals. That was why they took Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, apprehended him, lied against him, sold him to Nigeria, and they thought they have arrived. They thought, because at some point it looked like they even wanted him died, because across the world there was IPOB, there were Biafrans that were desperate for their liberty and their freedom. So a whole lot of them committed atrocities. And because they thought Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to come out, as they keep pushing, up to today, they're still pushing for him not to come out because of the atrocities they committed. Today, they employed Madame Pinto. This woman does not know what she has done to herself, to speak on behalf of the people that sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And what they did with why you see what is her name ran out is because the same thing they are using Madame Pinto to do to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is what they used Achalugo to do against Simon Ekpa. And Madame Pinto swallowed the whole thing. Swallowed it hook, line, and sinker. The script they gave to her that she is reading now, she doesn't know the source of the script. Because one of the things she said in one of her comments that I said, she said, most of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu followers, she said they are loyal and as well as stupid. Why wouldn't a typical, because the mind of every 419 person, they always see the person they are defrauding as fool. Because they will tell you, bring 1,000, I will multiply it for you. And you bring 1,000 and they will say, I don't mind that fool. That is how DOS people are seeing the current members of IPOB, IPOB One Family. That is how they are seeing them. That is how they saw Achalugo, the one that they used to decimate Mazin, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, and make sure, and all the people they use to make sure they put him in dungeon. Because the people that are the real crimo, are the ones, somebody said they are not even up to 20 of them. They are the ones that call themselves the leaders, that gather all the money and they share it, they pay themselves. They pay themselves the salary. And now they have collected, because they know they can't come out. They now got Madame Pinto to be their PR. Madame Pinto is here, washing their laundry, washing out the BLOOD, while these people are collecting money and eating. That woman, I pity her, though I don't pity her. Because that is what happens to all the Ajuajueris. They gave that woman a script to insult Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, and that woman opened her mouth and started insulting. When they saw it has backfired, they are now soft-pedaling back. Like this one that is here, wearing everything he's wearing from head to toe is a Biafra flag. So, my dear brethren, we thank God that we are here to expose all these lies. And we thank God that God never gave up on us. That as soon as they apprehended Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, PM Simon Ekpa came forth. They apprehended him. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze came out, doing amazingly well. Doing amazingly well. That the name of Biafra is now on the world stage, where the matter of Biafra is being discussed as we speak. Where the footwork for our in fact, I feel that we are recognized. It's just for us to, gather ourselves, open the eyes of our brethren to know that it is over. The evil people that have, for the last 10 years, joined Nigeria government and the other ones higher up that are trying to wipe us out, that we are no longer going to be wiped out because we have redeclared Biafra. We have every document to show. We have every footwork. We have the government to be show for it. So please, if I have said anything, because I am very, very sensitive when it comes to religion, I don't want to, because it doesn't matter. Wherever you are, make sure that your path with God is right. It does not matter whether it is the Church of Jesus or the church that Jesus preferred. It does not matter. So let nobody take offense with any, because I was using it as an analogy. It's not, I wasn't direct. With that, I rest my case and I say thank you, Mazi Kai TV.
Well, thank you so much, Madam Morris, and God bless you for joining us. I really appreciate it. Thank you. The thing is that the woman in question, why is it pineapple? She's just doing what she's doing just for her, just to enrich herself. So they contracted her to do what she's doing. So I don't have much.
Yes, I agree with you.
She's doing whatever she's doing now because of money. We know that. Not because she wants to say the truth. It's about what they will pay her, nothing more.
But what she doesn't know is that she's going to partake of the consequences.
Of course, that's what they don't know.
And her generation, definitely, because it does not matter. Because what we are talking about is life.
That is true.
She does not know what the Chikanwo rules them have done in the past.
She don't care to know. That's the annoying part. She don't care to know.
She's looking at what she's getting now. The thing that she's getting is blindfolded her. The money that she's working for is
That is
blindfolded her.
that's her
That's why I look
business.
at it.
There we go. All right. Thank you, Madam Origin. God bless you. Ocean, I think you are the next, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Madam Origin, I greet you. Ndewo.
Thank you.
I greet you. It has been a while. Madam, is it Madam Ojugo, Mazikai?
Yeah, Madam Ojugo, yes.
Okay. Okay, Madam Ojugo, I greet you. Sorry, I would have said you go first, but James because these days, if on a already. Mazikai, Ndewo for this wonderful program, though I joined very late. You see, this guy that is on your screen here, the one that wear Biafra color. When I came in, I listened to him asking that he will pay their money. I think he's referring to Mazen Nankan, that he will pay his money, their money. You see, that's so nasty. And that will tell Biafrans what these people are standing for, who they really are. Look at all his submission, all the utterances he made here was all about money, all about money. So what about the freedom? You don't even care. You don't even talk about that.
He joined for money, so he's not. He did not join for freedom. It's about money.
I know some of them, even some of them that are from my side. What they do, that their monthly dues. You see those titles they give themselves, they share it. They don't care about any other thing. That's why you see an full grown-up man and an old man, a man that have lived in the Western world for long years. Kai, if you hear where they are making some argument, you'll be marveled. You're wondering, truly these people, are they the age they look like? I mean, the appearance. Are they truly the appearance of their age? With their wealth of experience in the Western world. So, that is by the way. You see, all the insult going on today against Biafra, against our leader, to all of us, you see, the family of Mazen Kanu is unfortunate. I don't know how happy they are today. I don't know how proud they are today of what is going on. I don't know how pride they will be in what they have done in the past, how they manage situations. I don't know some of the decision they take. I don't know if it is calculated or if it's on an error. I'm trying to figure out, because how do we arrive at this very point that you can see some, I don't want to use some word because they are image of God. If not, I would have said a different thing about these people. Talking down, you have that temerity to talk to Mazen Nandekan in the manner they are speaking today. It's so unfortunate.
The thing is that they don't like him since for this is the one. The reason why they pretend they like him, that's something that attracts Mazaganu to them, and that is money. They felt that this guy he created a very good platform that they can hide and somehow enrich themselves. So when they join, and what they were expecting is not coming. Like they believe that having placed themselves in some strategic position like coordinator of this, coordinator of that. That the time will come when they will gain something, and they have been waiting for that thing, and the way things are going on, that thing may not come anymore. Do you understand? So
Yes.
their real self is now coming out, because if truly they are for freedom, there's no reason to attack Masakan to this level. Somebody, let's assume that everything they're saying about Masakan actually did it. Like he's enjoying the money, squashing the money, doing that and all that. Anybody that joined genuinely will not be attacking Masakan. No matter if you commit that thing, they will wait until he come out. Do you understand?
Yes.
And the issue of
Yes.
the family, what they would have done is, any money coming up should not go to them anymore. You understand?
Yes.
They should have mind. But the reason why they are still earning the money donated when Masakan was here is because the main purpose since they joined, or what attracts them to the movement, is money. So they don't know how to generate new money. They don't know what to do to get people to donate money. So it's about the word that people donated because of Masakan America, and they want to see the end of that one.
Yeah.
You see, maybe you can hear I don't know if you watched a part where he was saying that Methuselah have not paid his monthly dues for so year since 6 years and all that. When I say that these guys are the one contributing money among themselves now, people don't understand, because they are the one paying monthly dues to themselves. They are contributing money among themselves now. Yeah, unlike before. So that also brings more hate on PM, because PM is the one that ended that career agitation. The video of Methuselah that I played a few days ago, he was saying that, I think day before yesterday, was it not yesterday?
Yeah, I watched it. Yeah, I watched it after.
He was saying that they will fight and leave the fight for their children.
Yeah, very bad, very bad.
Even
the one you think that he's reasoning well, look at the way he talks.
Hey,
you see, Mazikai. Well, it's not only that what they're expecting, or how the American Mazin and they cannot. Not only, I don't even think it's really the money. I think these people, they're of different agenda, because sense of reasoning will tell you within yourself that before you can come out on a man, on a high level personality or person of interest like this, you would have sense of reasoning would have tell you to take a pause. Wait, this man is not dead until he's out. You listen to him. This is somebody that you have been listening to his messages, and you were jumping up and down and shouting. Even if somebody tried to mislead you or confuse you, your sense of reasoning, at least your moral conscience would have allowed you to be calm. Or look at the way these people are jumping up and down. It pains me, Mazkai, it pains me, Biafrans, because Mazin Nandekan did not deserve this. A man who if you ask me, when I count Ojuku, General Ojuku, the internal leader, I count Mazin Nandekan. I'm telling you, and this is the way I believe it should be. When you count Ojuku, the people who have made the utmost sacrifice on this journey, you count Mazin Nandekan, you count Maz Simon Ekpa, you count our DPM. So this is the way it should be. And then this bring me when people talk about this template, Mazin Nandekan is not different from Ojuku. Maz Simon Ekpa is not different from Mazin Nandekan. Our DPM is not different from our PM, Maz Simon Ekpa. So when some people talk about this template, we should be very, sensitive in saying that, because sometimes our people misunderstand it. These entities, they are different entities, but they are working for the same goal with the same objective.
That's true.
When you talk about template, if you have built in a terrain that is very rough, or in a swampy area, you will know the difference of building in a swampy area than that of dry land. If you want to build, when they are, what do you call these people? The people that test the soil, they give you different foundation to do in some places. There are reason for that. So all the templates go back to the days of Ojukwu, then down to our DPM. They are all the same. All of them played a critical role in that very template. So let us leave it as at that. But our people, please, even those of the US, those that have been misled, they should please stop this kind of attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They should stop that. And I don't know where those that are supposed to talk to them, those who claim this, who claim that, who claim from Bush, who claim from that, all of them have disappeared completely. Why these boys, why these entities are on social media, talking the way from the both side of their mouth? That is so bad. This is a man who have done everything, lost everything. The only thing that remains for him now is the oxygen that he breathes. Even the wife that's supposed to be consoling him. If you're a married man, you will understand what I mean. Even if the whole world despises you, your own wife would never leave your side. But look at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. And some people are out there talking from their people's mouth. Mazi Kai, thank you for this program. And I want to plead with our people, please, this is the time. We all need to rally around on our government, support our government in what they are doing. And I believe that the government, our government is doing something about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as well. And that woman, I think Madam Origin says something, or Mazi Kai says something about that woman, this one Neka that call herself Lolo. It is quite unfortunate that woman, although it's like she's now trying to retract her step, because I see where she's complaining. I think from your program, Mazi Kai, that she will not, she will subpedal on discussing the issue of indigenous people of Biafra.
Oh, sorry. Let me say this very quickly. I don't like to interject. You see, go ahead,
please.
On that point, I can't excuse that woman out. Let me tell you people what just happened. You see, when they gathered and employed and got their so-called media to denigrate and delegitimize Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, it got kind of traction, and they kept doing it. They kept Simon Ekpa, this one, that one. Now, that was the same thing they wanted to do with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, only for them to see that it backfired. That is why this woman is soft-pedaling, because she's just reading scripts. The people that gave her script soft-pedaled.
Okay.
And there is nothing to excuse her from it. From what she said, the script she read, we heard it.
Yes.
And she and the people that thought that, and by the way, I have already told them, what they are carrying is empty shell.
Yeah.
Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu created IPOB? Why I in fact right now I'm beginning to agree more with what is that his name? His in-law that said it is
Master Prophet.
Yes, so
Master Prophet.
Yes, as we speak today, what IPOB is an organization created by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He wanted to use it to further the freedom, but when it was hijacked, the criminals hijacked it, sold him. They sold the ESN. They sold, but what they left was the channel with which the money comes in. That is why you see them dancing naked in the public. IPOB, one family, bring in the money. Now that the money is not coming in, they are trying to, now that they think that Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is in the prison, so they are looking for how to rally the people back to say Simon is still useless. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is now useless. We now have to come back together in their dream. That is, they failed woefully. We have moved on. That is why I keep saying that this media will have a crown, because that's the only way you can debunk their evil and tell them that we have redeclared Biafra. The vision of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is Biafra freedom, redeclare Biafra. He wanted to use it to make the referendum. He couldn't find 15 out of these criminals to help him.
These millions of thousands of idiots.
So Madame Pinto and his group and her group have failed woefully. Anybody that is still answering IPOB one family is just answering Mitinomo Kwenu. Any money you're giving to them is going into their pockets. It's clear they are not. When last did you hear them talk about the people's freedom? So why are you contributing? Go to your village meeting and contribute so that they will remember you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Madam Origin. Mazikai, you said that the what do you call him, the illegitimate man in Anambra State is dancing in the streets of England. Is that what you said?
Dancing? No, he was. That was a town hall meeting.
Yes, he's dancing in the streets of England now. What is town hall meeting? He's dancing there.
Okay.
Was his son there?
No, I didn't say his son, but Anambarians gathered there, but the attitude he displayed there is, yes. So what happened?
You say that somebody brought card free Mazin Nnamdi Kanu and they was pushed away.
Yeah.
I would like to see that. And those who pushed him, who pushed the brother away, they are our people too, or they are white guys.
Our people. One of the government officials. I don't know what they call that.
Okay, they are aides.
Assistants or whatever
they're not aides. Yeah,
they aid. Yeah, people know the guy. People know the man. He was the one even collected it and tear it to pieces.
It's okay. Then let our people learn lesson. He is in the streets of London to dance his kukere. Why is it that his son is not there? Ozonye is not there to listen to what his father is saying, and he, as the father, will be listening to Ozonye. We'll be looking at Ozonye why he came with his Gucci bag or Maserati bag, handbag or wine. Nonsense. Please, Mazikai, because I came in very late and I'm let me drop so that
you're welcome.
Okay, but we are together. And I watch right after Madam Origin, Madam River Goddess, I see you. They will by Madam Origin. Madam Ojugo, they were in there, and God bless each and every one of us. They were Mazikai.
Thank you so much. Let's hear from Madam Ojugo. Please, Madam Ojugo, move your mic.
Okay. I greet everybody in my house. Madam Origin. River Goddess. Did I say River Goddess?
There's a noise from your background. I think.
Yeah, it's my TV.
Okay. Continue. You can continue.
Okay. Okay, is it better now?
Yeah, it's better off now. Yes, right on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I don't have much to say about this set of human beings, but when I look at them, they just confirm to me really why Mazen Namdekalo was looking for 100 million. Was looking for 100. Some those of us that don't know these people, that didn't really follow Mazen Namdekalo. Like myself, I followed him, I think, very much late time. By then, he has introduced Simon. I didn't really follow him that much. And but seeing these people, this human being, because the question that time, you have all these men. Why are you still looking for 100 men? That thing is so unanimous. See, he knows the ability, the 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 quality of men and women that followed him. You want to know here now, men listening to them and their voice. Now you can imagine how you feel. Talkless of a man that is having meeting with them, listening to them, making suggestion or controlling regions and whatever they are controlling. Just make an imagination of that. And then you now imagine also why he said that we do not have men in Biafra land anymore. Just when you look at this man now, and then look at the one that called himself enwe nke a pụtara na onye siri ebere ka m fụrụ ya yi baret ọfụrụ na t-shirt ọfụrụ ndị IPOB organization ga-esi ka a na-akpọ ya ọ dị ka onye Enugu steeti dị ihe ahụ try to remember the name of this guy, the one that speaks Igbo. He just what they call my funeral recently. Yes.
Okay.
Did you see the current appearance of Ubi Nwanne? Introducing himself, his tone of voice, like I don't know if he drank something. You're looking at him. You're looking at this guy. Now look at how he was standing up, talking like really out of point. I pity Mazen Namdekalo.
Wait, what did Obi-Wan say, if I may ask, please?
Oh, Obi-Wan came out now. I think it was a calendar TV that showcased him, where he said, now he's been, what he was looking for, he has found it, that recognition, that he has been recognized. And he came with a new barrette, this barrette that these people are wearing. And then he came out with a new t-shirt, this one white t-shirt and the red. Most of DOS people, they have it. He was wearing it. He was so excited that he's been recognized. Maybe IPOB now or DOS, because he said they helped him for his I don't know if it's his mother or father's burial. He didn't go, but I think they contributed to that. So he's fully now recognized by DOS members. So Or say, me not. Or say na that me not. Okay. So I say that that he has arrived. That now that the ebido nke world. No to has yeah. I can't remember all that he said, but he has arrived, and the way he was even saying it and laughing, he barely raised his face up. Like I even asked Kelena, is that the original Obi-Wan that we know of that is doing this, or somebody different? So his friend, yeah, I have to ask that question because I didn't understand. I didn't understand that. Like I totally did not understand. Guy, you know, that was on that that was saying that. So his friend, what's that his name? Akonye Wetere was the one that confirmed that that was him. You know, I was like, wow, is that what happened to human being can change in the twinkle of an eye? Go find that movie and you watch. I'm sure you will ask the same question that I asked. If it's Obi-Wan, but the English he was speaking.
Since I started my channel, I have not discussed Obi-Wan, not even one day.
Oh my God!
Because I know Obi-Wan. We need to understand something, that not everybody that you see is actually a human being. I'm not saying that Obi-Wan is not a human being, though. But sometimes you need to choose your battle. Like Obi-Wan is somebody. I don't know him well. I don't know him too well, but I don't. In my own, I'm seeing him. I don't think he's somebody that we trust or rely on, because I'm sure that there's some record somewhere about him. So there's some record. There's some record somewhere.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. That video explained that it doesn't look like somebody who is mentally stable. You know, it was so weird.
Something is wrong. People don't know this. I'm just saying it now, no, but I cannot no. A man that reached out to Radio Biafra TV. Both of them had program together. Okay.
Yes. I watched that program.
So imagine what he said in that program. Within 1 week, the guy switched on back to he switched on back to default.
Yeah. The guy, I'm telling you, but this is a man that used to come out before, with a loud voice. This one, you barely even hear his voice. His face was bending down. I have to ask, is this the original Obi-Wan? Even the grammar is ordinary, is and was messing things up. I don't know if I say I surprised myself, to know that that's the man that I have watched 1 or 2 times his program. Couldn't believe it. I'm telling you, it's so ridiculous. So what I'm saying is, when you see all this, that's why I say, I don't learn anything from them, and so I don't watch them. But do they need to be debunked? Yes. And you and Kelena and others are doing very, very marvelous analysis to their idiosyncrasy, because they themselves don't even get it. They don't get it. I wonder how we can tie all of them together, put them in the class, and have real TV educate these people, like months, not just one, like months, like 1 + 1, 2 + 2, because they're very, very far from what we're talking about. Very far. Look at what they're saying. They call Mazen Namdekal. They call him Mazen Namdekal started IPOB. And so what? If it's what he's doing is no longer good for you, go and look at this man talking about Mazen, a man like you. You have one head. He has. I mean, like the other man said, you have a wife, or whether you have, he has a wife. Mazen Namdekal started this. Mazen Namdekal, your following, said, whatever you can do to bring Biafra, do it. This is where exactly what happened in the Bible. And that connects me to what Madam Origin said. You know, the Bible is highly misinterpreted. People quote Bible to suit their behaviors, because there is nothing you cannot find in the Bible. If you're the armed robber going for armed robber, will find a quote in the Bible that will suit that armed robbery is going. An angel of God will find a quote in the Bible. So that's what is happening right now. Out of all the teachings of Mazen Namdekalo and Simon Ekpa, these people will take what they want and quote it for you. Look at him playing Mazen Namdekalo, and he didn't play where Mazen Namdekalo said, you must go and listen to Simon Ekpa. No, he didn't play where Mazen Namdekalo was asking for 100 men. Why wouldn't he play those? To show him that he is an idiot. To follow Mazen Namdekalo and a so-called man. And Mazen Namdekalo made these two comments. I need 100 men and no more men in our land. Men should be very, very shameful of themselves. And then they carry camera and then come out and then start talking. Look at him, very empty from head to toe. Tomorrow you carry this person, keep in the house, and then the woman will be feeding the idiot. Oh no, but it's too bad though. People are not married now anymore because you can't get a responsible, reasonable man right now. Onye be akpokoro suit nwụrụ anwụ bịa iche ma mmadụ mgbe gịnị ya because he married that is a full-blown idiot. It's too bad. It's too
Not
bad.
all of them, but let me interject them because I know you're getting angry.
No.
But I want you to not all of them because let me tell you. But I know whenever I get that side, I'm like,
I'm just quoting Mazen Namdekalo.
These kind of men will make us just get angry, but we will not get angry with our honorable men that are doing a whole lot. Let me tell you what happened. What is going on is that they kind of look at them because they don't have anything they're doing. If they had something they're doing, they wouldn't just go and start going to Umuwanisha Jadu and all of collecting money and eating it and na manual kwa. Sorry to interrupt you so that we tone it down. Thank you.
I'm telling you, I was really getting upset with their behaviors. When you see men, we understand we are women. There's something we expect from our men. Look at that okpokoro fekedia. Chinakana wenu kunoto na rubbish. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. And another thing, there's something that is making money for these people. When you Google Biafra, like you want to buy Biafra something, it directs you to them. Because I have seen them before advertising their store, and I think it was, I don't know if it's this one, the mother was selling ogiri that did that thing before, where they are selling both cup and whatever banner, whatever you can find. I think that's their main source of income now, after Simon demolished them. Look at them. They're really upsetting me, for crying out loud. They're really upsetting me. If you know them, if it's your wife, your husband, tell them to go in. They should go in. They should stop conforming the words
And the prophecy of Mazen and the Kalu, they should stop it. They should stop it. Because they confirm every word that he said. That spirit brings them out and then they showcase themselves. And you'll be thinking, you listening, are these people, they're all insane. Are they normal? I'm not going to this psychiatric hospital again when I allowed Biafra because what I'm seeing now, 70% of men need to go to psychiatric hospital to be checked. I'm telling you,
we have women as well.
Because men were looking up to men as the head of the household. So if a man is the head of household, will come out and stand like this, stand there, how can you'll be thinking, what advice, what training is this one giving to him picking? Thank you.
Women, some of them are women, not only men. No, I hope you know that.
Some of them are women. Which women? But as far as in a beef and and they are claiming that they are men. They are men.
No, I mean genuine. We have women among them that also are still.
There are some of why you see pineapple no up down, and that is why it was easy for her to click with them because they're the same people.
Yeah, the same.
I don't know. I'm not coming and they feel because on a mekatin can say what is this and where are we coming from? What is that why they call us third world country? Is it because of this reasoning faculty? I don't understand though. When you don't understand, yeah, because oh Jesus. Now I'm going. Jesus.
Thank you so much, Madam Audrey. God bless you. Master Greg. River Goddess, are you at work?
Oh, work each term.
Because I actually no verse. No verse.
River Goddess, I love that. Yes, I came before you. Yes, I did. River Goddess, I did. Oh, sorry. I came before you. No verse.
No, I'm not vexing. I'm vexed. I'm vexed. Also, you're not vexed. I'm a money didn't vex. Okay, Chuku go okay can vex. One vex.
You might also defend your Kanu from you. You might know your friend.
When you be my friend, don't wait in a don't wait no.
Because your friend there. Oh,
Don't friend, and I can't know. In a Madam Ojugo, Madam Luigi, Ocean Master, how and Greg. So, I did. Oh, that Greg, go on.
No, I don't get chance. No, you get chance.
Oh, hi. If all my mail namudo drege. If Madam Ojugo should not do well and meeting down Panabo.
This thing is so annoying. So annoying.
I had annoying my dear way. I just want to chip in something and that will help us. Ima, there is something that is happening. But before I start, like nwoke panya anụnwa, Maazị Kaido were ebe a, nwoke panya anụnwa nnọọ. Enecha nwoke panya anya,
si na ọ n'obodo oyibo ọ sị na ya bụ Ọkịja ka ọ bụ gịnị. Even when he was in IPO na-ajawasị ọnụ, Maazị Justin, I greet you, the tallest man. Onye a dịka Melu Mebele. Even Biafra stuff nwa na oyi na-arụ dịka Bambiala. You understand? These are the amajiris, njiri nguzu eji guzu ọnụọgụ, at this time that they will cause mayhem to themselves. That one, by the way, Okechukwu Ugwu, when you look at this man and Okechukwu ndị a bụ ndị kwesịrị ịnọ n'ụlọ na-egbu akwụ nya ndị mgbe ọla na-akwụ ha mgbọ, bet imago peradventure or divine providence, imago Chineke say ha pụtagodo from outside ka ama ma ha ya afụ ụzọ. Okay, fafa nọ outside ya dị otu a, ọ bụzikwa na ha nọ inside. You are talking about Okechukwu. Okechukwu is a man of many character. Okechukwu is a rainbow man. You understand? He doesn't know what he wants. That one is nke dialo onwe ya. Okechukwu, you were talking concerning the program ome. Ọ dị ka Okechukwu nwụrụ nke a na-anwụ anwụ, kpọ nke a na-akpọ akpọ. Because looking at him there, I believe there is one thing the spirit of Biafra does to a man. When you want to rubbish Biafran land, the spirit of Biafra, baby don't know rubbish beziegi. That's why when you look at Okechukwu, you know that something has gone out of him.
Onye bụ Okechukwu?
Oh, ya bụ n'obi nwanne.
Oh, I didn't know him with that. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, my obi nwanne. So when that grace is like stripped off them, you see their main author, you see that they are nothing. You understand? Then abịa na nke this 100 men, because something happened somewhere. This 100 men, or if I actually do propaganda, uche nke m ka m na-ekwu, adam ekwu uche onye ọzọ. 100 men was what Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-agụ ka him sing song before Simon Ekpa now came and say, I am 50 men in one. Chobazia 50. Then up till then, where now, they now kept quiet. They did not say anything about 100 men again. Because by the grace of God, the empowerment or the mantle that fall on Simon Ekpa, and he was doing it otu osi me obi mmadụ wee jua oyi. Chimpanzee Chimejoro now found a way, because Chimpanzee Chimejoro say that he doesn't know anything about IPOB. Yabunkwane a member of IPOB. Mana mgbe ọ pụtaziri Igbo Igbo ekele m unu. That was when they sought her out. That was when they paid her. That was when they were planning what they were planning. That's fine. Aishi dị mma, asatọ dị mma, mana asị na okwu ji agụ ngwere abịa ya ụgwọ. Then, Ikwikwii Chimejoro, I'm very glad ị na-anụ Ugheli Danda, because initially it will not ọzọ dị mgba nwanyị in all ramification, but I'm happy na if I need to go powder. Imago mezitetu onwe go ọfụma. Then I be on Facebook, you have 100 million accounts. I be on TikTok. You are looking for your own belly. Onye chọọ build a platform ya, ọkpọwa Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, ọkpọwa Simon Ekpa. One program I mere, which I was among na Facebook or again, as not 3,000 getting one follower. That is what you want. But again, when we say and he get to down on how to talk on this Biafra, ask me get to down, raise the tempo, because I know you are not sleeping. Raise ye very high, because I read more na piagotare more, enu na piagotare more, and na piagotare more. Do you think it is easy? It is not easy. So you have gotten the followers maybe you wanted, you have built up your page, and now it's then you get step down. Step or down for where? Ndị na-akwụ gị ụgwọ akwụsịzịrị ịkwụ gị ụgwọ ka onye ma na step or down, they will come after you. I can't understand. And then nwere ife nchọrọ ka anyị bụ ụmụ nwaanyị ghọta. Ọkwa ifuru Uchechi, uche m ka m na-ekwu o, adị m ekwu uche onye ọzọ. Uchechi chọrọ ka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka abụrụ onye akọrọ akụkọ taa na echi. Uchechi achọghọ ka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọfee 1 second. Ekperie niile, ọfọ ya niile, anya niile ọ na-amụ bụ ka ọ bụrụ a widow. Uchechi is scared of something. Enwere ife Uchechi metere ọ na-amarụ. That's why, mana, let me just nip it at that. Manu Uchechi, I just want to let you know that na mmadụ abụrụ Chukwu. Ndụ mmadụ a n'aka Chineke ka ọ dị, ọ dịrọ n'aka mmadụ. If I were you, Uchechi, I would just take myself as chiri heel m n'aka mụ na ọsọ ịkwa aka gị n'ebe Maazị Nnamdi Okwu Kanu nọ. You don't go by people outside. You don't gather with people outside to destroy, to bibia n'onwe gị, and not Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ebe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu si, o siri ike. Then gị nwa bụ chimpanzee pụtara na akpọrọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ dị ọkwanụ m ka anything, ndị ọ na-ewute ya ewutezi n'unu. Because what will be a time like this. Because ịkparịgidego Nnamdi Kanu, ama m ihe ịfụrụ n'abalị, wee sizi a na-ede akparịkwa ya. Kedu ife ịfụrụ? Ka ọ bụ onye nyere gị advice sị gị gaa kparịzini ya? Why ma nji wee kparịa ya? Ebe ị na-echere di nụrụ, because ọ bụrụ that man nụrụ gị, ọgụnwa nụrụ nwoke ahụ efelere nụrụ, mụta ọzọ dị mgbadị ka gụnwa. Then you left that man where the effrontery na pụta na public say na di gị na ịlụ ọrịa nwaanyị ọzọ, gị wee nọzara na Abuja wee na-amịcha kukumba, na-amịcha banana. Ị na-amịcha kukumba ndị Fulani, na-amịcha kukumba ndị Alahaji. Then hapụzi ọkpọgọrọ di gị werezie nwaanyị dowere ya. Ifere onwe gị mee gị. Ifere onwe gị mee gị. Irere ugwu gị nwa bụ nwaanyị n'afịa. Ị na-achọ nne gị ka ị na-achọ nna gị na Abuja. Ka ihe na-achọ na those offices. Because nwoke idowere n'ụlọ, ọ gị nụrụ ya n'azụ ya nni, ọ gaghị ekwu ụka. Okwu ụka nwanne efere ije nye ya nni, ịkụwa ya wezere mkpọkọrọ ọba nyewie nni. Ọ ihe a na-afụ n'ụdị mmadụ dị ka gị. Then Uchechi, ịma na ha ji ọtọ gị. Oge Simon gbara gị ama sị gị baa n'ime ụlọ, ịnụ gị. Uchechi, na ọ bụrụ na ị bụ nwaanyị, ya bụ na dịrị na gị na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ụnụ anụwa, unu na-eso okwu, then gị abịa pụta fụ nwaanyị ibe gị ebe ọ nọ na-akpọ di gị iyi. Ọ bụrụ nwaanyị bụ nwaanyị, ọ ga-asị no, even if ọ bịagodu na ọ nụchagodukwa ọgụ nke ahụ a na-eme ife a na-eme, but you kept quiet. Meaning that aka gị dị n'ife a na-eme. Meaning that na you ọgụnwa bụ onye dobere ihe n'iru nazie n'azụ. Uchechi, cheghị maka ụmụazị ị mụrụ. Ego dị anyị bi ụwa, ego ga-adịkwa anya ana. For me, I have used a strong stone like a rock and put in my heart. Nothing moves me, nothing shakes me. Whatever aka unu wetere, nwanne m nwoke zara aka onye wetere, aka ọbụla unu wetere, anyị ewere esodo unu. Nothing. Ị na-echere nya ọgaranya ngadanga, na-eche Maazị Nnamdi Kanu onye Chukwu zitere. Unu na-aplọkụ ya, nke adowere isi ebe anụnwa ka kpakpangolo nọrọ ebe anụnwa na-akọ ihe n'ọma ha. And that thing is what you are doing. Ị ga-asị na ị naghị eje club, ịnwụọ ihe nwụọ. Ị ga-asị na ị naghị eje na nwaje eneta onye ọzọ, ịnwụọ ihe nwụọ. Ị ga-asị na ihe eri ego IPOB, ịnwụọ ihe nwụọ. Then chimpanzee, who are you to tell us na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na IPOB na emekwe nke eji gba nnụnụ na eji wee fe na ọ bụghị ya nwa guzoro? Let me ask you, ụwa zuru ike did and left the baton. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu picked it up. Haven't you learned from it? You people took Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Somebody else took the baton. Haven't you learned from it? Simon Ekpa took the baton. Unu take ya in. Some other person took the baton. Dr. Ngozi Arabeze. Unu si na Dr. Ngozi Arabeze na otala akwu unu tabi omeju unu ta. Who decide to go to now that today I am not going to do it anymore? Somebody is already. We have a whole lot. Don't worry, take the baton tomorrow. So if you people feel no ga apinyo ọkụ anyị ka mgbu na anyị ba aka ekpuchi ọnwa. This struggle has gone beyond what you people can rubbish. Anyị erugo international standard. You people were asleep when God crossed us over to the other side. Ejiri ọnụ kwuo okwu eji ayaghị eji ọkpa wee zọbie ya. Even echiche nke nka na-ekwu, it's only God that is strengthening Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Even lawyer, I'm sorry to say, Maxwell and Eba, when we are shouting them, Maxwell fought against Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. What are you trying to tell me? Every day you go to Sokoto and create content and what we don't know. Maxwell no na court to say na Simon Ekpa has nothing. Let me tell you, Madam Mr. Chimpanzee, even if Maazị Nnamdi Kanu were say potasi, I disown. I disown, I disown, I disband. I have nothing to do with Maazị Simon Ekpa to the whole world. Did it? Let me ask. Make any sense? Stop. It doesn't stop anything. The movement is still going on. So you know, as no be renounce or if you Maxwell because Maxwell was in the court telling Maazị Nnamdi Kanu to disown Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa tabi Rome June. Now we heard that na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu no jicha ha mama. But Maxwell went there with Alaye Jimako na Easter. Now, and they just celebrate that they spent time. You people did not tell us that he wasn't well. You people didn't let us know. You know, he gave Maxwell what I'm that he was in a high, na spirit here, the more than high, like a high horse. What kind of rubbish is this? We are no more kids. Tell us things the way they are. 2 days ago or a day, can come from the internet that his health, that he has not been well. But Maxwell, or they go complete here. Then you did not tell us that he's not okay. Alo ejimakobia okoro nke obu na unu riri ogwu biko na anya sa unu obi nya kwefuru obi anya etiege n'azu. Trust nobody. I only trust myself. But now what I want to tell you people, unu bara one chance. Chimezie kamju na anagi oburu na Maazị Dinanso, Maazị Simon Ekpa. Can you do it? Look at what you said. No oburu na Maazị create 1,000 imakwana Chineke tire ga aka n'ọnụ. Isene oburu na enwere 1,000 or 1,100 men. What can 100 men? No oburu na enwe
100.
Okay. No oburu na erezie ya na ị ga-agba ya ọkpa. That na ị ga-agba the thing ọkpa. That was what you said on your platform. Notorious painter said na nke bụ na ya ga-abụ Notorious Sabo. That's what Notorious painter said. No oburu na ọbụ Simon Ekpa. Notorious painter said na ihe nwanụ bụ na ya ga-abụ Sabo. Isi na ogene Maazị Kai.
Connected.
You understand? So now we have seen you all. We have seen you all. But thank God for our media team. That's why Notorious Painter jiwe na-eti mkpu because Notorious Painter amahana ụbọchị ga-adị otu a today. Because notorious Mahana today, again, when people who will be projecting this, because the way you people planned it, that's why Prophet Master, where pota, instead of straight or some mande abakarotule, mande ihena, nde wanya arolaru, mande achoracho, uchechi, even your father-in-law. You came and shared your dream on a public space. Maybe a bedigi, a pochidogu gate, a kwehege batana gate. Then gile he game, nadigi choroge, choge, geleche he game, gama fence. Even Ibonyoshi in the physical world, Bulonyoshi in the spiritual world. So, whatever you people plan, we are 100 steps ahead of you people. You were saying something because ima illiteracy, amahamu ebe nkunu onwekwere nya nkunu enwezi limit. You were saying in your platform about Ngozi Orabeze vying for a Senate. Look at what you are saying. Ihe di unu mkpa bụ Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, and you were telling your gullible that Ngozi is not a doctor. Onwe mgbe gị na Ngozi bịara drag doctorate ship or without doctorship. Go and read it up. Dr. Ngozi Orabeze is DPN, Doctorate of Nursing Practitioner. That is the highest. Onye gucha nke, onwe mgbe you say na ọ bụ medical doctor of mkpụrụ, enwe degrees in education. That's her title, that's her degree. So because you people are illiterate and you are dealing with illiterates, go and look it up. That was what you are telling your gullible. But you address Dr. Nelly as Dr. Nelly. Kedi hanyofu, kedi he jealousy, kedi hubi ntakase jine nyerunu nsobu. And she is a woman doing what you cannot do. Then Ngozi Orabeze is not doing it well. What is holding you now for you to show up your face and take it off from there so that we will follow you? I rest my mic, please. Thank you. Oga Greg, please, if you are there, please take it on.
Don't be angry. No, oh, you Joe. Master Greg, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sorry for.
No, my greetings to my
So I thank you
sisters,
very much. I appreciate it.
Eva Goddess, Madam Ojugo, and in the program. We go. The edition is in Agana, Abam Bagana Banya, Ajana Ede. Agana Edenubi, na Banyaja.
That's so.
Chineke ga-emezi dị ubi emegene ka ọ mịa mkpụrụ because I will come because it's not easy. Mazikai, thank you so much, and my greetings to every single media for your good work. It's not easy. God is your strength. And wherever our leader Mazin Namdekan is, may God be his strength, heal him physically and spiritually. Be well with him, and he's sure heaven will touch his health and he will be okay. The same prayer we take to our BM Mazi, Samuel and Jacob. It will be well with him. God will give him strength, physically and spiritually, because the battle is of God.
Yes, sir.
Thank God for our DPM, Dr. Ngozi. I want you media please to know it is possible that there will be a time to create a campaign for her in any platform where we campaign, talk about her good works, and why she merits to work in that Senate House. Because as now, so both in the press, the whole world will know why Dr. Ngozi Orebeze must be given chance to serve in American Senate House, because she carries so much responsibility, both for the Africa, both for the Biafra, and the Americans themselves. So that is using to vote her as a senator in the American House. Coming back to this people, you know that there is things when it starts happening, you don't need to somebody to tell you what is going on. If you remember what Akbarawa and Ogenkere did to our PM by accusing him that he is betrayed just because he told them you cannot sue Dr. Ngozi Orebeze, go and withdraw that lawsuit. You are wrong. They come out and start accusing him, insulting him. Akbarawa, the movie, Akbarawa, Ekpa, or Simon Akbarawa. Then he went back to Mazindan and make it Mazindan Akbarawa. So Ogenkere and Akbarawa and their gangs start accusing Simon Ekpa and Joko for betraying Biafra because they did not succeed to grab that mantle that were not meant for them. So, and the same thing is what DOS is doing today, because the plan of the Nigerian government did not succeed. Their plan was quashed on 29th November 2024 when Biafra was declared. So, Simon Ekpa was too clever. Biafra government was too clever. They could not understand, even though they put millions and contracts to make sure that Biafra declaration stopped, but they did not succeed. Now they come back to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because their plan did not succeed with Mazi Simon Ekpa. Their plan did not succeed with Ogenkere, who want to grab power. Now DOS said, okay, since you refuse to denounce Biafra, as we plan with Eastern governors and Nigerian government, and now the JU give you life imprisonment, we will frustrate you and we will make sure that you cannot come out from that prison unless you open your mouth and denounce Biafra and denounce Mazi Monepa in the Sokoto dungeon. There is no other thing else. All this Bulahaha and all these things is only this. There's no other thing. They started accusing him without not one single evidence. When Simon Ekpan come on board, when he started exposing the criminal in IPOB, he has every evidence. He started from Finland, where he is residing, by exposing them with the physical evidence and what happened in their meeting with video. And when China Sowore and all the DOS were saying, why did you allow Simon Ekpa, to the extent that he carried out with video camera and exposed everything, like every of their criminalities. We have the evidence on how they were using the money to ship container, using people's money to do all those criminals. But this idiot that is here have no single evidence that they can shoot any single Biafra in any part of the world. This is what is holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for. You don't have one single evidence. So he's not serious, and nobody should take him serious because they are only looking for a way to grab power by all means. That is the thing. China Sowore is a criminal. There is evidences. I will pray that media who knows how to research and get all those things, expositions of Mazi Simon Ekpa, where he exposed China Sowore and Ifeanyi Ejiofor, if they can trace it and start bringing out those things out again, it will be very, very wonderful. That is my little contribution this night because I'm on duty. I will not speak again. So my greetings to Biafrans, and may God bless Dr. Ngozi Areze and bless Mazda Kanu and Samuel and all the medias and every other person that's doing everything to make sure the Biafra come. We will succeed. There is no two ways about it. Thank you and God bless you.
There, well, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you, Master Greg. Thank you. And we have come to an end of this live broadcast. Thank you all. Thank you, Madam Origin, Madam Mojugo, River Goddess. God bless all of you. Please, I hope we are okay, or do you still have anything? You have anything to say again, Madam Origin and River Goddess?
No, I have nothing to say. I greet everybody. Thank you again, Mazikai Reports, for coming out every day to debunk these lies.
God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. River Goddess, I know you are at work, I believe. See you again. See you tomorrow, guys. And God bless you all on the comment section for your time, for your love. I really appreciate. I cannot say, I don't know where to start greeting you. Okay, your mic is on. Let's hear from you. Goddess.
I just want to say thank you to everybody in the house, and thank you for speaking up. May God bless all of us, and may God bless me too. May God bless Kai. It is well. Good night.
Good night. Thank you so much. All right. See you tomorrow, guys. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.